You guys are criminals. You know that? You know that, Peter? How did you know I was wearing a pink hat and a gray shirt? That's my question. How did you know? What are these games? Chris? What's going on, Crystal? Oi. That means I have to stop listening to good music and rubbish. Like, no. Telling you. Have a camera in the room. Have a camera in the room. um, Diamond, what's going on? Good morning, Diamond. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Penny. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Crystal. Good morning, Alan. Happy Monday. Well, good morning, Aaron. Good morning. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Doug. Obon, good morning. Let's go, Nanya. Good morning, guys. Good morning, D. Let's go. Penny, what do you need help with? You might, yeah, you're gonna have to ask again in a bit. Good morning, Beard. Good morning, James. Good morning, S&P. Wow. Um, I mean, 4 or 5. Kind of bouncing off that level now. I know this thing was a lot lower. Astra was, they were. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So someone bought SBEV out. Okay. So there you go, Penny. Let's go, Gators. Good morning, Spy. We'll come back to this rubbish. Anyways, 5 things to know before the stock market opens on Monday. Good morning, Dan. How refreshing it was to it was to hear that. I don't know what to tell you, Dan. Um, um, it was nice. It was nice. It was really nice, actually. Might have to play that video for you guys, but it's nice, right? So we don't really hear anyone else that is in a position like that talking about it in that way. So that's really nice, right? So, um, yeah, does not look good. Mm-mm. Nope, nope. Olu, good morning. What's happening with with Logic? We'll take a look. Um, red candles everywhere. He was Diamond. He was really good. Eric, good morning. Good morning, morning. Anyway, so let me quickly go through these headlines here. So again, Nasdaq futures were down 2% as stocks continue to sell off, right? So don't really like going too far into their um, things here. So Monday futures are down. Blah blah blah. Two key inflation reports are coming out Wednesday and Thursday, right? So future trading pointed to 400%, 400 points down. Blah blah blah. Yeah. So Wednesday is a big day, right? So good morning, Pablo. Um, so again, these numbers that come out on Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday especially, should be able to kind of give us an idea of what is happening in regards to like what the Fed's been doing, right? So if the market looks at those reports and says, "Oh wow, cool, these okay, what the Fed is doing is actually working," well, how about we start pumping, right? We start pumping, but if it's not helping, um, yeah, we we sell off, like we could just keep selling off, right? So um, here you go. No, no, no. Yeah, Penny. So, Penny, as Rev, was bought out. Thanks, Dan. Emma, good morning. G7, Grand Rising. Tony, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Anyways, point number two. Hi, with traders doubting the Fed's on inflation. Okay, well, there you go. I'm gonna skip through that. Bitcoin drops under $33,000, still linked to tech stocks, right? So again, Bitcoin is now connected to the Nasdaq. Well, I say now, it's been like that forever, forever, right? Yo, Crystal, right? So Bitcoin, unbelievable, unbelievable. Yeah, that's why, like, honestly, I see I'm not buying any crypto dips, um, none. Because again, like we kind of expect the market to keep selling off. So what happens when the market keeps selling off? Well, dips are no longer dips; they become the PD dips. The PD dips. So no thanks. Number four, oil slips, but prices remain high. A demand supply talk war. Okay, cool. Talk of war. Putin tries to defend Russia's Ukraine war in Victory Day speech. Wow. I wish I could listen to. I wish I could listen to that speech actually. Just to kind of understand like what the whole point of this is. We kind of have an idea. Virgo, good morning. What do you do? What do you do? No regulation. La. It's following the Nasdaq. Yeah, it is. Yes. Tech stonks. Tech stonks. So Vladimir Putin on Monday tried to defend. Okay, cool. Blah 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 blah. I just want to look. I'm looking for quotes. That's what I'm looking for. There are no quotes in here. Appealing to double down on a new strategy, focusing on liberation. And okay, cool. Yeah. So it seems like it's not over, is it? Right? And we were kind of concerned about all of this stuff as well, right? Sure, the war has been going on, but you just never know what happens when the guy comes and says, "Oh, today is actually the official day of the war. Victory Day." Blah blah blah. Well, how does that affect the market, right? So, good morning, Erica. Good morning, Star. Good morning, Trevor. Good morning, Musty. It's all Bear puts in the he didn't nothing. Musty. Oh wow, there you go. Right. So, yeah, yeah. Anyways, so some of the biggest movers this morning, right? Stocks making the biggest moves in pre-market. PLTR earnings, no goods. Rivian, no goods. Uber, no goods. The other two didn't have earnings. Rivian doesn't have earnings till like into the week. So I'm going to quickly scan through this article here as well. So again, the data analytics, Palantir, right, company, they plunged because again they reported earnings, right? So that's basically it. They missed. They slacked. There you go. So might create a really nice buying opportunity for some of you guys, right? So I know Dan is yeah. So there you go. Again, Penny, if you're not in Discord, like Dan mentioned, join Discord. That stuff was posted in Discord, right? So Rivian, Ford is selling off. Wait. So Ford is selling 8 million of its 102 million share stake in the electric vehicle maker, according to a source who spoke to CNBC. Huh. The move is a period of nah. The insider period. Okay, okay, that's why then. Okay, Rivian. These guys are running before earnings. We talked about this last night, right? We talked about how like Rivian puts, right? We talked about this last night. We want to short Rivian. So it seems like Ford said, yeah, you know what? Let's run first. Let's run first because these earnings are coming up. Market is bearish. Rivian is high up there compared to some of the other EV companies that are not Tesla. Right, every other EV company that's not Tesla is not where Rivian is. Rivian doesn't make monies. Rivian doesn't even you know what? They have a ways to go, right? So it's Coinbase earnings soon. Yeah, Coinbase reports earnings this week, so we'll get to earnings for the week. Um, let's see. So Uber, right, plans to slash spending on marketing and incentives and skip. There will be Uber needs to become a leaner business to address. Okay, so this they're cutting down spending, and market says, ooh, okay, sell off. Ooh, la la, sell off. Everything is a sell off, guys. Picked up the soap, Trevor. They picked up the soap. Ooh, la la. Ooh, la la. Twitter. Elon detailed. Okay, cool. Investor. Nah, New York among the goal. So they're looking to quintuple revenue by 2028. That's part of Elon's plan there. Cool. But Elon's going to be a private company anyways. Puts on Coinbase, yeah, right. So the names we kind of looked at last night and talked about puts, right? We looked at and said, yeah, Coinbase, rubbish. What did they do? I don't know. But puts, yes. We looked at Disney, bad news, right? We looked at Beyond Meat for kind of a volatility, not exactly one way, right? Rivian, we looked at Rivian, puts. Why? Because rubbish. What else? There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Anyways, so AMC reports earnings today, right? AMC reports earnings today. So it's gonna be a meme week, as you guys know, right? There are a lot of memes on the list here. So AMC reports, actually ATHAR reports as well, right? So gap ups for selling, yeah. There you go. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Smash a like. Market opens in 5 minutes. Smash a like, hit that subscribe. If you want to become a member, the membership link is pinned at the top. Share the link, all the fun stuff. Let's go. Right. So a lot of the names that we see on the movers list are names that reported earnings. In pre-market, we'll revisit. Yeah, they did. So Cryptite, right? So Tide had a filing this morning. BBIG, I haven't looked at. I looked at BBIG pre-market, but I just haven't. I'm not sure what. I'll take a look in a bit here. Um, yeah. So again, AMC reports. Peloton reports tomorrow morning. I'm just looking for the crazy names. On it. On for his visiting. um, Workhorse reports tomorrow morning. Man, oh man, what a list of like just rubbish. Well, not rubbish. Oxy's a really good stonk. Really good stonk. Peter, you're useless goats. You know that. Yeah, you know that. You know that. Anyways, what do we want to look at here? So pre-market movers, guys. I will refresh. I will refresh the page to make sure we're still good to go. Most of these stocks have been talked about already in Discord, right? So most of these names have been posted already hours ago in Discord. So you guys have looked at some of these names already. So I'm just looking at the ones with top volume, right? So you have names like LOGC here, Logi Biotherapeutics. There you go. Auburn. Who are you and who is Neil? That's my question. What's going on? Um, lost all the monies? Who are you? I have no idea. Anyways, we can look at that. So SOPA as well. SOPA released earnings not too long ago, and they're making some monies, right? So SOPA, uh, soap. I picked up the soap. That's pretty funny. Anyway, so we can take a look at that as well. DPSI, right? We can take a look maybe at DPSI here, and then of course BTTX here. So that's a name we've been watching closely. Anyways, those are your top movers. Pump and dump bio. So again, BTTX, right? Top volume. DPSI volume slowly picking up, right? SOPA. We know SOPA, right? Earnings, good earnings. Well. uh, and then LOGC here. So I'm going to click on one of these here. Um, so there you go. Again, hopefully bio. So FDA lifts clinical hold on Logi Biotherapeutics. That's basically it. All right, FDA lifting. There you go. Keep it simple. right? SOPA earnings, they're pumping. We can take a look at that. Heading to green, they broke up with Spy Allen. Yeah, AMC's AMC's looking interesting. Anything else on here you guys want to look at? Let me know. Right? If you guys are interested in anything else, let me know, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. And then I'm gonna move on here. Um, why do I have the daily chart on here? That's why. Slacking, slacking. So let's see if we can break above 250 here on BTTX, guys. Tesla is cheap, cheap. Yeah, you look at some of these names, virus, like wow, 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 right? So wow, wow, wow. Anyways, gap ups are for selling, guys, right? So usually we don't want to rush into any of these names, but in his um, there you go. Yep. N- Am I bullish on sheep in this market? I am not bullish on anything in this market. I'm bullish for the opportunities. That's what I'm bullish for. Right. So this market sell-off will create some really nice opportunities. Right. So a lot of people are going to be scared to buy the dip, but there are going to be some people that buy some really nice dips from some really nice plays. And when the market turns around, because that's how it works, right? I mean, we have times where you buy anything, like you buy literally anything, and you're making monies on monies and monies, right? So that was the market last year. This year we are, doesn't matter where you buy. Well, you're kind of struggling, right? So crypto, stonks, this, that, you're struggling a little bit. So good morning, OPME, right? It doesn't matter where you buy, right? We're just going in cycles on cycles. Some criminals in the chat. BTTX, okay, 21%. Markets open, guys, right? Market open, right? Gap ups for selling. Good morning, Hot Slots. Good morning, Simon. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, Michelle. Unbelievable. Can you guys believe Michelle's late? Like, Michelle's late. Late. No, an hour ago. You're welcome. Anyways, S&P trying to hold that 405 level. You know how important that 405 level is. It held last week twice. T Money, good morning. Joe, good morning. So let's see if we can find a way to hold above this level. Because if for some reason we're failing to hold this level, then I kind of expect a sell off, right? Into the Fed, into the CPI numbers, right? Again, so inflation numbers coming out later this week, right? That's going to be really telling for the market in terms of a reversal. But if we're sitting below 405, which we're trying to hold for now. All right, we're going to the abyss, right? Abyss. We break below support. We're looking for the next support. Where is that? 400, right? Below 400, pack the bags. We're going to get torched. They say we're all going to get torched. Torched, Joe. All going to the village. To the village. Will ding dong rise? Ding dong will always rise. Ding dong will always rise. Jose, good morning. Yo, pal, good morning. Always. Anyways, so let's see if Spy can hold above this level here now and start recovering, right? So we bounced off this to 405 level twice already last week. Let's see if we can do it again. Uh, looks the market just seems very don't think there's any hope, right? I think the more we sell off, like the more we keep testing this level, the less likely it is that it's gonna hold, right? So I mean, you keep testing, you keep throwing the watermelon at Michelle's face. Just kidding. Keep throwing it. Something's gonna give, right? So, uh, job. It's trying to. Anyways, BBIG trying to recover as well here, back to trying to get back to green. So BBIG needs to get back over 430, 330, sorry, right? 330. BTTX still trying to figure out its footing, right? And then we have Logi, right? So CYN is the other one I want to take a look at. That's CYN, right? So that's CYN right here. CYN looks really nice. Looked at this stuff pre-market and it looks really nice actually. I like CYN. Um, I just like how strong the thing is. It just never, like we said this so many times already. It just never gives up, right? Just never gives up. So, and then the other one we want to add to the list is SOPA because of that earnings report, right? So, yeah. Where's our next level resistance here for CYN, anyways? Let me take a look. Yep, there you go. Right, so five. That's way too far up there, actually. but that level was from last year, so that's why it's there. Anyways, that's a nice little hold. I like these the the good old like higher low, higher low, higher low. I like that very much. So if we can stay above 360 here, I think that would be I think I'd be watching for 360 here a lot closer than anything else to see if we can hold it. Right, and then just keep pushing as the day goes on. Just keep pushing 420, 450, right? And then go from there. Spy said, you know what, guys? You know what? You might as well just go to the bridge. Might as well just go. Off puts? Yeah, guys. Yeah. So, anyways, let me set up the other chart here and include SOPA. SOPA. The soap dropper. Let's see here. SOPA. There we go. So SOPA is up nicely this morning as well. Look at SPY. SOPA wants 100%. Yeah, might as well give us, take it. Take it, Tom. Martin. So, anyways, see if we can play. What level is that? Okay. Just gonna leave it the way it is for now and just see if we can get a bottom somewhere, the double bottom or anything consistent, anything at all, right? And then go from there. Um, Unbelievable. Yeah, you got in at 342, Doug. Okay, very nice. 342. I like that. Right. So CYN is just a nice scalper, right? Just a very nice scalp. Greetings, Gaston. Gaston. Good morning. How are you? Where have you been? BBIG's green now? Let's go, BBIG. Come on. SOPA. I like that. Spice said, you think you know this? Hope I'm here. Yeah, I mean, man, we need to give it a little bit of time though, right? So, for example, on an hourly basis, if we're holding below 405, I think that's the real issue, right? So, um, pushes by the bottom, so the top. It's pretty simple, Eric. I mean, what else is there, right? So, we should all be rich by now. Um, we're not there because it's our own fault. We're slacking. Slacking. It's that simple. How far can SOPA go, Margaret? SOPA. Let me take a look at the chart here for SOPA. So SOPA beat earnings, right? It's so difficult with these IPOs because like TradingView, a lot of these like sources track these earnings reports based on like numerical data. Like they're tracking based on, okay, you reported earnings here last time, so we kind of expect winning the race so far. UONE is, yeah, right. So that's what they base the stuff off with, right? So you just never know when they're actually going to report their earnings. So they did it this morning, late, yeah, they reported, right? So your next level of resistance here for SOPA is 330, right? So Tesla 820s, wow. Anyways, so far has been running this morning, Margaret. If you're looking for position, Michelle, show your face. Anyways, so if you're looking for position here on SOPA, that's a 50% gap up already. So again, anyone that was holding last Friday is off 50%. So you want to almost like give it a second to give you some type of confirmation of support or of something else, right? Because you might be asking for some trouble, right? So anyway, CYN still holding. Back to the other names here. BTTX. I mean, BTTX is the other monster, isn't it? We talked about last week how this one seems. It just looks very similar to like BTTX. BBIG said, yeah, you know what? How about yeah, BBIG is back to green, guys. Back to green. I like that. Anyways, logic gap ups for selling. Yeah. So anyway, see BBIG can stay above 330 here now. No. Red to green, BBIG squeeze. Yeah, that's not a. That's the slowest squeeze in the history of mankind. Waiting for Tesla a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, honestly, especially with the way the S&P looks here now, right? Playing with this 405, I feel like a lot of dips that I want to buy. I'm just waiting. So because we can keep dipping, like we could sell off for 430, Peter. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it, Spy. You can do it. I mean, look at the lack of decision today though. This morning, I mean, like we're just going sideways, side to the side, to slide to the left, crisscross. Um, you can do it. Yeah, Spy is yeah, Spy is BBIG about to send it. Must he? I mean, we hope so, but yeah, hope so. Anyways, you know what I haven't even looked at yet? Good morning, Scooter. Moving to, yeah, 250, right? So 250 for BTTX here is your next level of resistance. Can't even see that, can you? I'm just watching the spies in the middle as that thing is looking like. There we go, Spy. Spies are 406. Spy said, you know what? You know what? Right? Again, even though we're breaking below 405, that's why you want to give it a little bit of time, right? So, like a 1 minute candle below is not good enough, right? You want to give it a longer time frame to see if we're just feeling and feeling and feeling, right? And then say, you know what? Yeah, it's we're about to be going to the abyss. Anyways, we're testing BTTX is testing 250 here, right? I like BTTX. I like CYN. Um, I like the way they're performing. Um, there you go. So what is there you go, right? So again, Margaret, there you go, right? Look at that sell-off. If you bought that thing, right, at the as we're pumping and 50%, well, guess what? This thing is sitting at 36% now. I know you're interested in this, but I'd rather go with something else that's consistent, right? Something that's consistent, honestly, right? Something like CYN on a dip, right? Something like a BTTX, right? SOPA is just an earnings push-up, right? It's like buying something that is. We've seen this happen way too much. Where you're buying something that has some really good news that's been trending down though, right? It goes up for a day and then it right back down. So be careful, please. Um, BBIG, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Nah, 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 no. Let's let's go BBIG. Let's go BBX. Let's go ready. Just wish BBIG would say, you know what, guys, I'm out of here. Uh, I do love to see shorts cry. Oh no, the shorts are not crying on BBIG, not quite yet. We need more for that. need more, need more for that. Anyways, yeah, let's see if SOPA, right? So if you're looking for SOPA, Margaret, which is right, if you're looking for SOPA here, I'm gonna put a line here. See if SOPA can hold this bottom here at the open, right? So again, bottom at the open, right? So what you're hoping for here now, if you're interested in SOPA, is a kind of a double bottom, right? So again, bottom here bounce, right? You're looking to kind of bottom around the same level, only if we're actually testing it and starting to recover, right? That's the only way, right? So if we're testing and trying to recover, I should have slept last night. Yep, Peter, you didn't sleep at all. Wow. Um, well, thank you for bidding for winning that game. You got in at 260. Okay. Yeah. If we can test and hold this level here at 250, 257 ish, right? Or 250 again. That candle at the open, right? So 250, 254, right? Something. Yeah. So again, if we can hold around that level and double bottom and start bouncing, SOPA looks okay here. So you want to see a double bottom, a W, something, right? So if you're interested in SOPA, look for stuff like that. If we start hitting that bottom and bouncing, then yeah, that's a good sign. Right, for now, watch closely. BBIG, oh yeah, BTTX, oh yeah, sending it. Come on, give us 340, 340. Uh, there you go. Yeah. Again, Morgan, make sure you make use of like Discord, right? So take a look at the stock channel, the stock general, right? Because there are a lot of ideas just in the morning, right? So anyway, so BTTX is holding that 250 level, so that's nice, Dan. That's nice. That's nice. BBIG, just go already. Go already. SOPA trying, right? SOPA is trying here to hold support, right? So we can hold this level and start bouncing. Okay, cool. We're not really bouncing yet, right? We need a bounce. We need bounce. We need bounce. Anyways, so that's that. SOPA, CYN. Is that the okay? Interesting. I want to see CYN can actually hold above that 20 there here and do something and do anything for you. Press. Oh, okay. For some reason, I was like, Peter said press the like. Yeah, guys, yeah, smash a like. Smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. But yeah, smash a like. Um, my DMs are lit. My DMs. My DM. um, I'm sorry. Um, take a look at open. Okay, I will. It's so low. Its IPO got yeah, no, Rivian again. Like Rivian was always we always knew Rivian was overpriced, and that's something we said from day one, right? Rivian is overpriced, um, overpriced, overpriced. Well, on the play, I mean, it's trying, right? So what you're hoping for is it's trying. It's gonna need to get above 260 here now, though, right? If it's gonna run, we're gonna need to get above 260 here for SOPA. 260, 260, 260. If we can clear 260 here, we can actually go for a nice little run. So 260, that's your resistance there. That's your breakout level. Without anyways, let me take a look at some of these other names, guys. Because we are asking, um, what's up? Still stuck there? Yeah, still not doing anything, is it? Nothing. Let me see. So HUSA, Houston, red, red. Are you in a position here, Jeff? Let me know. Are you in a position? And what's your entry price? Let me know. Huge. Yeah. Wow. SOPA, everybody. SOPA. There you go. Let's see here. Down 8% today this morning. Yeah, Jeff, just give me a quick little yeah, because I could easily see this thing selling off all the way down to like 330 here. Um, um, I can see that thing selling up to 330 there. Yes, looking to add for next big oil hike. Okay, you're looking to add. Well, we don't have support all the way down to like we start approaching like 330s, right? So I mean, but again, you can if you're looking to add to your position, you can always dollar cost average. As we're down 10% now. 10% is a bit though, right? For is a bit. So, but again, it just seems that we could sell off more here, right? So to the actual support, or anywhere close to that, right? So 330 is a nice little level there to look for, right? So again, just watch the candles on a smaller time frame as well and see what's happening. So once we approach like 350 is going to be a level as well, right? So it's going to be a level like psychological support where people look at, right? So watch and see what happens when we approach levels like that. Can you look at DPS? Got out at 12 pre-market and jumped back in at 8:30 at the open. Wow, how amazing is that, right? So sell these pre-market gap ups and then get back in. You sold at 12 and got back in at 8:30 at the open. Wow, look at that, guys. DPSI, that's nice, isn't it? So these guys, yeah, it looks fine to me, right? So um, that's a nice gap. Yeah, it looks okay to me. Right, so you made some monies on this already. So honestly, my recommendation for you would be to find a stop loss, right? So you would not be surprised to see this thing recover back closer to like a 9 or a 10 or something like that, right? Hot it down currently. Okay, there you go, right? So you got back in. So yeah, just find a stop loss, right? So with stuff like this, I don't like the stock because this is not the first time he's doing this. This thing is always pumping and dumping. This stock, yep, always. Like it's always look at that pump and dump, right? Always pump and dump, right? Always. I mean, this thing can right? So yeah, it's always dumping, right? So yeah, I don't know, I just don't like it. So let's see, holding free shares since last big push. Okay, nice. Yeah, there you go. Can you do Apple AAPL? Yeah, AAPL. Apples. Apples and oranges. I'd like Apple to sell up to 150 here, honestly. Apple really hasn't had that sell off like everything else, so Apple has support at 150. 150. No, no, no. Market is bleeding again. Holy cow! Yep. There you go, Spy. Spy said, "I'm very confused." I'm like, wow. Are we sitting at the lows of the day, guys? For Spy, right? So we want to go to the you want to go to the bridge. um, with all these sell-offs, guys. mm, I need a sugar mama. Who wants to be my sugar mama? I mean, I need a Peter's kids are not uh all the monies. Mullen is at 108. Wow, there you go. I mean, like just everything looks like absolute rubbish. Um, it's your first time holding an ETF. Let me take a quick look. What is it again? Oh yeah. Well, I mean, it's your first time holding an ETF, but this ETF is a bear ETF anyways, right? So you should be happy because it's making you monies, right? So so again, just continue to watch continue to watch. You haven't fed my kid in 2 months. Just continue to watch the overall market in connection to this ETF, right? So as long as the market continues to look bearish and selling off, this thing is gonna look okay, right? So yeah, it's a bear ETF, so it's green today because the market is red. So for Bailey's and coffee this morning, Dan. Wow, wow. Um. Anyway, so let's move on here. What did I get rid of? Okay, I know what I got rid of there. So CYN, there you go. CYN hitting highs of the day, guys. Right. So CYN still looks really good there. SOPA, yeah, SOPA said, you know what, guys, suck it. Suck it, suck it. BTTX here, right? Nice gap up push, and it's playing with that 250 level here. So let's see if we can reclaim it. Um, take a look at what Margaret BTTX. Are you in a position? Let me know. Did you buy? What's your entry price? It's the only thing that you have in the green, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, anything bearish is in the green this morning. BBIG still playing, still slacking. Anything else? Slacking. Uh, mm. Mm-mm. Today might be one of those days. One of those days. Uh, let me take a look at what am I looking for here? I'm looking for AMC. AMC. Are we green? AMC is down 70 cents, 60 cents. Well, welp, welp. Ours green. You know what? Pack your bags. Pack your bags, guys. Let's see. Nah. And what's Bitcoin at anyways? Bitcoin is at $33,000. Wow, crypto is red, red. When I say red, red, I mean red, red. Yeah. Shannon, in at 750, trying to decide if I should average or sell. Okay, let me take a look. So open. You got in at 750. We Yeah. Honestly, I unless you really believe in the company, like I would not be like I just don't want to average down on anything unless you believe in the company, right? So absolutely send it. Also, like I was not sitting at too bad of a level, right, Shannon? It's sitting at a nice, potential supportive level here, right? You go across here. This was a nice bounce level initially. Like we had a nice little double bottom on this stock, like in the past, right? Again, so bottom push, bottom, right? Send it. We're kind of doing the same thing here, right? Again, bottom push, we're trying to bottom out around the same spot. So not exactly the worst position to look at. but I just be careful with the market environment we're in on like averaging on these names, right? So resistance everywhere. Something is going to give one way or another. Hugh, yeah. VIX is green. You know what, Michelle? You're green. Spy, yeah, Spy is back above 405, right back above. Very confused thing. This is Peter's juju working, guys. Look at that juju. Look at that, right? We were selling up to lows of the day. Now we're looking to like now we're trying to push for the highs of the day. It's a small position. Okay. Look at that. We're pumping. Why? Because Eric, you're going to sleep. Yeah. Anyway, CYN is an absolute monster, guys. I like CY. I mean, SOPA is trying. SOPA is trying to go. Anyways, I like CYN. I just yeah, just keeps it just not give up. Um, I like that about the stock. Um, QQ got in at 690. It's at 420 now. Should I average down? Does the seem to be done? ATHAR has earnings tonight. They report earnings after the market closes. So complete gamble, complete gamble there, right? So um, yeah, it's been doing a good job of holding $4, which is $4 is a nice level, like nice support level, but it's earnings, right? You want to be careful. Yeah, I just don't know, man. I just personally, unless it's a company that I believe in, right? I don't like averaging down on a losing stock. That's just me though. I just don't like averaging down on a stock that's losing, and that is not an investment, right? Investments, absolutely easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? So I'm willing to hold for a long time, anyways. Yeah, of course. But if it's the way you ask the question as well, you're saying, is it done? Well, that means you're looking for potential squeeze, right? So just be careful, right? So, but they announce earnings after they close. If these guys say something nice, I mean, it might send it, right? So I just never know. Spies are kind of double topping here at this 406. If you take a look to the left hand side, there's a double top. There's a top here as well, right? So we filled in this range last time and sold off. We're feeling around the same spot again. Um, Mullen is going to Pennyland make, yeah. Let Mullen go back to 50 cents where it came from. That we can buy some. We can buy some things. Back to 12. He's looking to no longer be a teenager. Unbelievable, honestly. Um, nah. I'm just looking at Discord, guys. I want to quickly take a look at Discord here. Uh, what's the difference? Sopa just had a. What's the difference? $2 limit in the open. Failed. Okay. Mm. Okay. Wow, there are a lot of sell signals here this morning. A lot of sell signals. Stock entries, CYN pre-market. Okay, fire. Oh yeah, nice dog. Dog got into CYN. CYN at yeah, three. I know you said that already, and I said that already, but I didn't see your entry. I just see your entry now. What do you what do you think about W stock? What's W? W stock? I have no idea. Someone needs to fix this, guys. Someone needs to fix this. Highly moved for me. Come on. Where's the play? Yeah, right. Honestly, like, what's the play? The play is a 2 cent scalp every for CYN, or because everything else is just so rubbish, right? So Wayfair or Wayfair is Wayfair. I mean, Wayfair just seems like Wayfair. Maybe Wayfair. Let me take a look. Everything is just so stagnant this morning. W. Wayfair. Oh, Wayfair is actually green today after reporting earnings. No, not earnings. Something else happened today with Wayfair here. It's been slowly trending lower though. Yeah, I honestly don't know about this one. What okay? You know about this one. Zealous upwards. I am playing yeah, moving with heavy steps. Yeah, honestly, right. So this morning is like searching the couch for lost coins. AMC to $10, AMC to 8 cents. Unless they can come out and if AMC doesn't report good earnings today, I mean usually we like things selling off into earnings. But if AMC doesn't report earnings today, like good earnings, um, what happened? 8 cents. We're gonna skip $10 and go right to 8 cents. It's all Michelle's fault. It's been $300. It's 66 right now. Yeah, but again, like on Wayfair wasn't worth $300 at $300, though, right? So the market is bringing all these stocks to reality, telling them, yeah, you are not worth that much. Um, Wayfair is not. So I mean, like if you like the company though, right? What okay? Like if you like the company long term, yeah, start dollar cost averaging at 66. Yeah, like start dollar cost averaging, right? So AMC earnings call will be magical. It always is. AMC is always fun into the new garlic flavored popcorn diamond. Yeah, honestly, I'm not a. I mean like can't believe these guys talk about AMC popcorn all the time. It's almost in range, Robert. What's the range? What's the range, Robert? AMC is always almost in range. Um, LOGC is LOGC 83 cents. 83 cents. Hmm. Yeah, it's not really doing anything here, right? So it's still sitting around the same spot there. Mullen is almost $1, Hugh. Yep. I mean, is there anything that really is not going to the abyss? Uh, I don't like any of these companies just scalp. Yeah, D right. So you scalp them. CYN. I mean, CYN is the only. Yeah, you wish you were more calls. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, CYN is only again like CYN is the only stock that's actually consistently performing nicely here, right? So everything else is rubbish. What's lower than the abyss? Because that's where we are, Dan. Oh no, we're not in the abyss yet. The abyss is below 400s. Um, There you go. What did you buy? What did you buy BTTX at, Margaret? Again, that should never be the question, right? Can BTTX get to $5? That's the question. Is never where can we get to? Well, it is kinda, but it shouldn't be like your initial question, right? Your first question when you get into a position is where did I buy? Right? Am I buying at support? um, and where can I set a stop loss? How can I limit my losses, right? How can I limit my losses to the best of my ability, right? That's question number one. I got into BTTX at this price. My stop loss is right here, right? I know exactly where I'm gonna get out on the downside, and then say, okay, well, on the upside, how much monies can I make, right? So, um, edible actually holding up nice. EDBL, okay, not bad. Now that Doug is celebrating in the red market, celebrating. What's my sell signal again? Interesting. S- no, 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 no. Steady climbing on earnings news this morning. Surf. Okay, nice, very nice. Surf, 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 surf. Ooh, ooh. So the reported earnings this morning. And what's the volume here? Not the greatest in terms of volume here, but it's slowly going. It's well, when I say not the greatest, I need to also compare that to the average volume, which is crushing already. But yeah, right. So Leave that on the left hand side and see what it does. SOPA's back above, guys. Back above 260. Back above 260. Why is everyone going to SOPA? FOMO. Peter says FOMO. AMC filing for bankruptcy. Um, no, AMC is not filing for bankruptcy. AMC is not filing for bank. I don't know if you're being like if you're just joking, or you're being serious, right? So, but no, AMC is not filing for bankruptcy. Nah, nah. Says, why is everyone running to SOPA? Um, what's BTTX doing anyways? No, yeah, BTTX still just flat here, right? Still 250. CYN is done really well though. It's hitting new highs of the day here. CYN. SOPA in the middle. BTTX on the left, SOPA in the middle, and CYN on the right hand side. um, if you believe in what you're buying, just trying to not to catch a falling knife, Nanya, absolutely, right? So, yeah, if you believe in what you're buying and you're holding for a long time, right? So the good stonks. I mean, who believes, like, I don't think there's anyone in the chat that doesn't believe that the market will hit all-time highs again, right? There's no one in the chat that believes that Apple will not hit a new all-time high, right? Tesla is going to do a split, but they're going to hit a new high, right? So stuff like that. Most of these good stocks will hit new highs. The question is, when do we bottom out, though? Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days. We're going to the abyss, but that's okay. I don't know. Yeah, we have 2,000 to 2,300 shares of AMC. Yeah, that's frustrating, right? That's really frustrating. Again, a lot of people here holding AMC, and it's really annoying, right? So BTTX is back above 250 here. It's trying. All of these stocks are trying now. The non, yeah. So there you go. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Hashtag bridge live, Gators. Hashtag bridge live, guys. We need 9-4. Oh, 9-4 is not going to save us today, I don't think. BTTX. Um, la la la. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, Margo, what price did you buy BTTX at? What price did you buy BTTX at? Because I know you keep asking, but what price did you buy at? No, no, no. Gain already 50 cents? Wow, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. No, CON looks really good there. BTTX is sending it there slowly now. Hopefully, you guys can see my. That's why I only like having two screens, two charts up, because they're a lot more visible. BTTX, there we go. BTTX, come on now. Yeah, we're sending it, sending it, sending, trying to. That's a nice little fat green candle there. I need to get rid of the spy. I like watching it. I'm more. You're more than 10K down on ATER. You're down $10,000 on ATER. Oi. Uh, hmm. Okay, interesting. How does logic look to me? I'll take a look, Emma. I'll take a look. It's falling. Why, Devin? Why? Really, it is? And why? Like, what's the correlation? 100 more shares. UONE. 100 more shares to add to lower me. I mean, Peter, if you have the monies, that you don't need, right? So, yeah, I no thanks. See how good we can. It's my Yeah. Doctor Strange. Market moving as a whole. That been. Yep. Uh, I need all my monies. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Peter. I just don't feel other than the scalp, I just don't feel hmm, updated. AMC had a good weekend with Doctor Strange. No, no, no. AMC doesn't really do that. AMC doesn't really perform well with it. I mean, like, remember Spider Man when Spider Man came out and they made all the monies, they still sold off, right? So AMC doesn't care about movies. Doesn't seem like it. There we go, BTTX. Come on. Are we sitting at the highs of the day for BTTX? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. So we're just trying to clear 250, 260 here. Oh, because we have cameras, Michelle. Peter is the same cameras that Peter has. That he's No, it's because left talked about Doctor Strange. If we posted our entries in Discord, entry in the moment we take our positions, that way if anyone was fallen, they could have a chance. Yeah, absolutely, welcome, right? Yeah, yeah, that would be amazing, guys, right? So yeah, whether they're winning or losing, right? So it helps a lot of people, right? And it really helps. So when you post when you take a position and you post that in Discord, I know some people are just not like comfortable sharing, or they're busy watching the trades, right? So best camps, right? So yeah, it really helps because it gives people like ideas, right? So like when you get into a position, right, it really helps because then now someone Walker might start. Oh, that's a good position. I'm not really watching that anyways. Let me go take a look at that, right? And then they can do their own research and decide if they want to get in, right? So um, yeah. So if you can share your entries, would be it would be nice. There you go. Lows on Spy. Yeah, Spy is going to the abyss, Tom. To the abyss. You know, you, Canada is Canada is here. Um, I don't know. To the abyss. Like we're going to the yep. CYN. Oh. Yeah. So Emerald for BBIG is at 319. I mean, like nothing's really nothing. So anyway, so logic here. I know you're asking Emma, right? You're asking for this donk here. What do I think about it? I know it's a cheaper one, right? So it might be the reason for interest there. So these guys had some news this morning. Um, Again, you want to be careful with these like biofarmer plays. Like 80 cents is not too bad of a play, right? If I got in at 80 cents though, if I got in at 80 cents, and that's most likely what I would do if I'm interested in this name here, right? So if I got in close to 80 cents or like holding above that moving average, my stop loss would be just right here, just below 77, because I don't want this thing breaking below these levels here, right? If we break below the lows from the open, then we're looking for the abyss. We're looking for new lows, right? So um, right? Yeah, we kind of have a double bottom here as well at like 80 cents, right? So, yeah, all these stocks aren't they, Peter, right? So they're all giving away their gains. So you just bought 25 more shares of AMC? Okay. Yeah, yeah. BBIG 317. BTTX holding 250. Uh, SOPA below 260. CYN, a little bit of a dip, 420. There's calls at $60 on AMC. I mean, there's calls for 145 with good open interest. AMC is still going to the abyss, right? So unless something happens today, unless these guys decide to actually do something today, if AMC doesn't do anything today, honestly, with their earnings, then that's very disappointing. BTTX looks nice. There you go, BTTX. Come on, send it. Yeah, if AMC, the guy has been saying, Adam Aaron's been saying, oh, retail has been very good, and I embraced the role too much. Um, Retail's been very good. we are on retail site, um, and blah 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 blah, right? So if he's on retail site, now's the time to prove it. Now's the time to say, you know what, drop some fire news, some bomb news for AMC. Send AMC to absolute moon while everything is dipping, right? And then you know what's gonna happen when AMC is pumping in a bear market? Everyone's gonna say, well, you know what, AMC is pumping in this market. Well, let's all go FOMO, right? So if you can't do that, yeah, then yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Let's go, Casey. Sizzling. Just drop in to see and say hi. Hi, Casey. Good to see you as well. Um, with two first names, two first names. Um, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I, I honestly, I don't get like where the love for like Adam Aaron is coming from. People seem to like him. Like as a CEO. Um, I just don't get that. That's just my opinion, though, right? I just don't get that. I Yeah, I just think they need someone in there that can not just say meme stocks. You see, um, do some things. Anyways, good time to buy those AMC $20 June calls, Wako. Yeah, oh yeah, might be the time, right? So just ask Michelle. Um, it's a big gamble right now. I mean, more, yeah, right. It's a gamble, potentially a really nice gamble, right? So, um, Ames is a potential nice gamble. Needs to throw us a bone, exactly, Gators. Like simple, simple, right? So, like it's that simple. The only thing I've seen this guy do is raise money, sell shares, and talk about opening bowling owls in AMC theaters. So spending the money on more like backwards. What's bowling? Bowling is like for the bowling is fun. It's fun, fun, fun. But you don't see like any futuristic company saying, "Oh, we want to add bowling lanes to our movie theaters." Like, do me a favor, please. Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Rubbish. Why not buy Michelle? You know what? You know what? Where's Margaret? Margaret, like can you say hi to Michelle and can you pay her a visit? Um, uh, yeah. Right, Peter. Come on, rubbish. I mean, even GME understood, right, that we took retail's money, but we now need to go hire someone else that can take us to the next level. To no, reality, advanced 3D, something, anything. I mean, we saw these earnings. We saw these earnings every time AMC said, we are looking to accept crypto. I mean, like AMC exploded, right? So, but that was just futuristic. That was something out of the ordinary. You know what I mean? So it needs something, not just like popcorn. Maybe good sometimes, maybe yeah. So no, AMC is still a good gamble, right? Why? Because of retail. Because the retail is, when it's pumping, it's amazing, right? Forget about AMC as a company, right? So AMC is yeah, when it's pumping, it's pumping, right? We're excited, we're ready. Um, so it's just nice when yeah, there you go. What else? What else can we look at here? Everything's so slow this morning. Slow. Michelle, are you still holding those spy puts? I know you bought some spy puts. Are you still holding those puts? Reminder. When Oh, that's why. Okay. Sometimes maybe good. So Ford. What about Ford, Mr. Kwan? Ford is yeah. Ford sold some Rivian shares. So testing six support. Yeah, it might just be time to look at a lot of these what BBIG. Okay, BBIG is holding there. Not too bad. Let me take a look. I'm missing something here. No, not sure what. They expired. Oh, okay, okay. Let me take a look at you. Oh wait, you bought more? You mean you shorted the market and you didn't even know? Um, $6. Let me see here, Pablo. You. Ooh, there it is. Yeah, and then there's another level at 550 as well. But yeah, yeah, I see what you're looking at there, Pablo. Right? So yeah, that's not bad at all. Right? So we had that double bottom initially here off like 450, had a nice strong bounce, came back and double bottom at right around $6 there. Kind of held, right? Held again, sent it. So here we are again, right? I mean, it's amazing how many times this thing's feeling at that same level, right? So top $11, top $11, right? Right back down. So see if we can hold $6 here on you. Uh, yeah. Spy puts at 400 this morning. Wait. So you had interesting. Yeah, $6. Where's Tesla? Let me take a look at Tesla here. Tesla is currently at 825. 825. Wow. We want more though. More. Yeah, I don't want to buy anything with the S&P sitting below 405. Um yeah. And before I think we need some data from the Fed here. To tell us whether inflation is getting better or anything's changing, right? So I don't think anyone really expects that number to be better with them spending more money still on Russia, on Ukraine stuff, right? So I mean they send troops over, so they're spending monies. Yep, spending monies. Biden says we want to curb inflation, but we need 3 trillion more monies. We're gonna spend half of that to Ukraine. We're gonna spend, spend the other half on rubbish and then print more. But we want to help. We want to help inflation. Like, okay, okay, let's do it. BTTX, yeah, BTTX is dipping now as well. So there you go. SOPA is holding up at 260, but thanking the market and taking the heart of uh out of the yep. Um, honestly, that's probably why we're just selling off here because no one has any hope, right? It's all just talking. Everyone's just talking. Like, oh, we want to do this and this and this and this. You're not doing anything. You're just crashing the market. Just crashing the market. The market is just reacting however it wants to, right? So no one's really helping. Crypto. Roger says crypto, but crypto. Anyways, S&P is crypto. Man, oh man. It like it's no jokes though. We talked about this at the start of the year, right? We said, well, crypto just had an amazing year. I mean, like amazing, right? So what if 2023 is the absolute worst year for crypto, right? So um and here we are. Here we are, praying and hoping for something. There's nothing coming. Anyways, yeah, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Let's get to 200 likes or 100, wherever we are. Smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And right, so if you're not a part of a community, when the market struggles, right, it's the best time to be a part of a community. So come join us. The membership link is pinned at the top, right? So whether that's for moral supports or for just opportunities and talking about things, right? When the market is selling off, right? Just ideas and stuff like that. Yeah, there you go. So now's the time. So if you're not a member yet, the membership link is pinned at the top. Come join us. Red to green, Hamid. Okay, nice. So again, ATER has earnings slated today, right? So later today, ATER has earnings. Um, Ooh, that's a nice little bounce, right? So you can't even see my chart, can you? Anyways, ATR is double bouncing of $4. So $4 has been a nice level. We've talked about $4 over and over and over. Before we broke about $4, it was the only level we we paid attention to on the way up, right? Again, $4, resistance, resistance, resistance. Finally broke above $4. Now it's become support, right? So yeah, if we can stay above $4, not bad at all for ATR. No more talking. Do we get? We're not even at 100 likes, guys. Wow, wow, guys. We're slacking. Smash a like. Let's get to 100. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Come on, smash a like. While you do that, I'm gonna go get a snack, and then let's get to 100 likes. Yeah. I'll be back. Be back. I'll leave it I'll leave the chart over there. That's CYN and SPY. You know what? I'll leave it on SPY. Profit taking a 442. Okay, nice. Yeah. So SPY, there's SPY, guys. So watch it go to the abyss. I'll be back. So wow, to the abyss, to the abyss. Roommates? What roommates? Uh, literally months of what? Not trick? Yeah, yeah. Warren Buffett is. Yeah, Warren Buffett is buying Apple. That's what he's buying. Buying apples on apples. Let me see here. Mm, mm, Warren Buffett. What else? What else is really moving here? Back to red. Okay, cool. Hmm. You have to make me coffee and bring you donuts. Um, I'll buy more later. Okay, you took some profits, Michelle. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, BBIG really isn't. Yeah, BBIG is slacking with the rest of the market, right? So, yeah. Today just feels like a day for forcing trades, though, right? So if you're not comfortable, guys, um, don't force anything, right? So don't force any trades, please and thank you. Um, don't force trades today. There you go. Did we make it to 100 likes, guys? Did we make it? Did we make it? Did we make it? No, we haven't made it, guys. What are we doing? Anyways, so members only details, customization, members, members, and members only. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. And then yeah. Anyways, let me take a look, Shannon. So Shannon says double bottom on HTSN. Pablo, you're watching this one closely, aren't you? Let me take a look. So HDSN, HTSN. Um, Let's go. What time for me? You're looking at the 1 minute. I think that's what you're looking at for potential double bottom. Yeah, that's what you're looking at. So yeah, I see what you're looking at here, Shannon. Right. So I mean, it's not the worst, right? The volume is not the greatest yet. Oh, you can't even see my chart. Sorry. Anyways, right. So we're kind of trying to form a double bottom here. So that's not a bad position at all, right? Like not bad at all. As long as we can hold above. So again, this would be another one where like if you do get into a position, right, Shannon, your stop loss should be below that, right? So again, like something like 884 would be your stop loss, but this thing really needs to get above like 893 here to really start moving, right? So it needs to get above 893 ish with some volume, right? So yeah. Oh, you got in an eight. Okay, perfect. Yeah, there you go. Right. So as long as you stay above, like as long as you stay above like 885 here, I think it should be fine. Um, should be okay. La 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 la. Uh, um, yeah, yeah. Once once the FOMO, yeah, I don't know. Well, SPY is just selling off, just lower and lower and lower and lower, right? So look at that. We're sitting on lows of the day, guys. 4250. Can you believe this? Well, yeah, but wow. So here we go, right? So hence the reason to not buy any dips. So there you go. I don't want to look at AMC because I see Disney's involved in a ring. What do you mean? Disney is? Oh, there's so much negative news around Disney, honestly. So much negative news, right? So Disney is another name we wanted to short, right? So short Disney Rivian and who's the little man under the bridge? Who? Who's the little man under the bridge? I just want something to go already. I mean, like something has to pump. Something will pump. Around lunchtime, people always find a way to pump something up when the market is rubbish. Maybe that's ding dong, guys. Completely forgetting about our favorite stock. Ding dong, DDL. Ooh, ding dong is green for the day. Of course, ding dong's green. So ding dong's Jason. Don't look at AMC unless you got puts. Okay, sounds good, Jason. So ding dong is green for the day, of course. What about nuts? Nuts is usually okay. Nuts is actually red today as well. So seems like it's ding dong's turn. We'll see. Doubtful. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. BBIG, yeah, BBIG is selling off to the lows of the day, guys. Look at that, right? Lows of the day for BBIG. Logic, lows of the day. Are we at the lows of the day yet for Logic? No, not quite yet, right? So we're still holding that previous bottom at 77 cents ish, right? So BTTX is trying to recover. SOPA not really doing a whole lot. CYN is just holding the money, just holding the gains, right? So, um, yep. Question for you guys in the chat because we always like to ask, what's your favorite stock of the day? Like, what's your favorite stock for today? Like, what's your favorite stock? Um, Maybe that might be because you're looking to buy the dip. That's because you're actually making some monies. We'll take and walk. There you go, Doug. I mean, honest day's work, isn't it? Honest day's work. None. Yeah, there you go, Trick. Trick says none. I don't like any stocks today. Um, yeah, the only yeah. I don't mind. I don't mind BTTX today. I don't mind CYN today either. So, is anything green besides T3? Honestly, Peter. Um, Yeah, I'm sure there are a few. Spy puts, spy puts. Okay, sounds good. Light. Yeah, it's a slow Monday. It's a slow Monday, guys. So, um, yep, slow, slow. Let me see here. Uh, uh, another sell signal. We just keep getting sell signals here. Everything's getting a sell signal. Wow. Uh, uh, interesting. Yeah, your favorite stock is CARV. Good time to get ready for next month. What's CARV even doing this morning? Let me take a look. Is that thing red? Red? Yeah, it's red just like everything else, right? So, but it's holding up, kinda. Yeah, it's holding up. So most of these like June team plays are holding up not too badly. So, uh, my grab some Tesla calls, Michelle. Yeah, 858, 858. Okay, thank you, Peter. Yeah, not bad. I'd rather that thing be above $9, but it is what it is. This is not looking good. Dan says this is not looking good. Usually we have more. Have we had Dan? Have we had any good halts this morning? Usually have a lot of halts in the morning. A lot of halts, right? So today nothing at all. Anyone fired yet? Weird trick. Um, uh, SOPA BTTX, no big movements yet. Yeah, something will give. Yeah, like something will pump today, right? So, you're in at 724. Okay, yeah. 724. Anyways, yeah, something's gonna move today, right? Something will move. Um, something will, and we're waiting for that something because something will show up. Something always shows up, right? So, because retail cannot afford to not make monies. Um, people just can't afford to not be not FOMO into something, right? So something will. The question is when and what. Cold, yeah, yeah. Isn't that the market ETF? That's an ETF that performs well. Is that a bearish ETF? Um, I'll take a look. Good morning, Comptons. Best of luck to you as well. So no good stocks, guys. No good stocks. Oh, ask what your favorite stock is. Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. BWV. Blue water vaccines. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Blue water. Okay. Highs of the day. Okay. Nice little bottom at the open. Okay. Interesting. Oil stocks. I mean, even some of these oil stocks, Tom, they're struggling. SOPA, your favorite stock? Okay. Let me take a look at the daily here for blue water. Yeah. I mean, like, look at where we are on the daily, right? So this thing's, you remember when this thing crashed from $60? Um, USO? Okay, interesting. Let me take a look. Yeah, that thing has a ways to go to really break above that resistance and start sending it. But yeah, right. So I'll leave this one up. Actually, I'll leave it up. One second. Let me take a look at USO and then I'll leave that up. United States oil with the sanctions. I mean, like even like you take a look at these these oil names, they're all struggling, right? So um, yeah, sitting at some high highs, right? And especially this one too. I mean, this thing is sitting at some strong resistance here, Michelle, right? So it's been really struggling, right? So might be nice to look for those calls on a nice little dip here if we can hold above 70, 80, 78 cents here, right? But there's also a lot of resistance at 83, 83-ish, 83, 82.50, right? So it's yeah, it just tops on tops on tops, right? So that thing's gonna need to break above that 82, $83 level. And if it actually clears that level, yeah, it might be looking for new highs to 90s, right? So for now, there's a lot of flagging on the daily here, up, down, up, down, up, right? So up and down. Where's blue water? Huh? What happened? Here we go. Blue water vaccines. I'll leave that on the left hand side. BBIG, nothing. Lows of the day for BBIG, guys. You watch? Okay, there you go. Yeah. Loading up all weekend. It won't load today on my cell phone. Comptons. Yeah, like your Discord isn't loading. Huh. Z Flip 3. The Z Flip 3. I honestly don't know what that is, but it just sounds interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure why you're like. Does it load on your computer? Contents like Discord loads on your computer. I'm not sure why it's not loading for you. Um, I'm not sure why. Maybe maybe Discord said contents comics is a criminal. Send him to the abyss. I mean, look at like Spy. Wow, new lows of the day, guys. Yep, it's bottoms on bottoms on bottoms. I mean, it's dipping on dips on dips on dips. When do we stop? Let's see here. But hope all is well. No, 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 no. Okay, perfect. Oh man, puts, yeah, guys, right? It's put season, right? Like it just puts, right? The trend is your friend, right? So it's Bitcoin is becoming an itty bitty coin, right? Like again, puts, the trend is your friend. When the market is trending lower, right? Just go with whatever direction is paying, right? So, mute, unmute. Okay, there you go, right? So yeah, um, if the trend is lower, look for puts, right? Don't force trades. Don't try to be right. You know what I mean, right? So um, like don't be a hero in the market when the market is going down, right? So if the market wants to go down, get on the take your shoes and say, you know what, I'm ready. I have my magic carpets, and I'm ready to go down this hill with you, right? Again, just go down with it if it wants to go down. So your next level support here with my just your 950 just failed for Teslas. Oh no, Peter. So your next level support here would be 400s, right? So for the S&P. So SPY 400s. Wow. When did they expire, Peter? When does what call did you buy? That's gold. That's gold. That's gold. Sorry. 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 The 27th. 27th. Okay. Yeah, let's see spike and bounce around the 400s, right? So there's a, yeah, right, Pablo. Yeah, absolutely. So we've talked about these names quite a bit as well, like quite a bit, right? So UVXY, right? SQQQ. There are a few more. There are a lot more, right? You can take a look at the VIX. You can take a look at this and that, right? So when the market is rubbish, those names will do well, right? So you know what? I'm gonna put up the VIX. I'm gonna put up UVXY actually. UVXY. UVXY. Is that thing up 10%? Yeah, it is. It's pumping, right? So yeah, it's been pumping all morning. So yeah, and these things have options as well, right? So good morning, Christine. Right, spikes at 380. Yeah, let's see what happens closer to 400, right, Jason? So 405 support, and then 400s, and then yeah, those things are expensive, Michelle. Expensive, expensive. There's nobody. Is yeah the Z Flip? I have no idea, honestly. No idea. No idea. Yeah, flagship. Okay. Then the basement. Yep, PD up 8%. Yeah, that's what those expensive. I mean, that's just Tesla, though, right? Expensive calls. You can make some nice monies on those. Make some nice monies. Did we make it to 100 likes yet, guys? Not yet. Not yet. So once we get to 100 likes, then we can open up the. We can go back to everybody chatting in the chat. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like. Let's get to 100 likes, and then we can rent money. Yep, and then we can open up the chat to everybody. Everybody. So yeah, smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe. Become a member. All the fun things, right? So there you go. Na na na. Z fold. Z fold. Pristine, how are you? How's the market for you? What are you looking at? Disgusting. Disgusting. Oh, what are you looking at, Musty? Scared money don't make money? Yeah. Rubbish. Peter. Uh, uh, will hold back a big on BBIG. Yeah. With all the cryptide Bitcoin and blah blah blah. Yeah. So everyone who's into puts, thank you for stealing my money. Thank you. All you put masters, thank you for stealing Musty's monies. So la 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 la. Uh, since I can get onto Discord, red box, red box. Compton's, you what like what's the price again for red box? I know we talked about this. It's down 5% today. I mean, it's selling off just like everything else, right? So, uh, down just like everything else today for Redbox here, Comptons. Yeah, I don't know. Like Comptons, try this. I wonder what it is. Like try disconnecting your app and then putting it back in. Try like signing in through the web. Use a computer, right? So, um, if it doesn't work, hmm, yeah, check your Google account. Wow. There you go. Honestly, again, if we can stay above, right? So if Redbox can find a way to stay above, right? So just like we did initially here, right? So the last run up here, you don't want it to look like this, right? So we push, we break below, sell off, incoming, right? So you want it to be something like this where we push, we come back and test the nine content and send it. So you're hoping, right? Push, come back and test the nine, right? We need to stay above. Stay above 580. And like at the close of this candle, the daily candle, if we can close above 580 here, not the worst, right? So if we're breaking below, though, be careful, right? Again, you want something like this, right? Again, push, come back, test, hold, send it, right? Not like this, push, come back, break below, because once you break below, you're looking for the abyss. Um, there you go. Oh, Peter, how much? 20%, 20% now. 85s. They can no smash like and let's get folks easy. Yeah, I know, right, Hugh? Yeah, exactly. 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 Otherwise, we can just hang out and do like member only streams. We can do member only streams when the market is struggling, right? So we can really 10%. Okay, yeah. We can just hang out and just talk about rubbish and scalp stocks, like member only streams, right? Those would be like private streams. We can do that actually. Um, there you go. No, 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 no. Let's go. So we made it to 100 likes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like. Smash a like. Right? Smash the like, hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. So yeah, let's go back to for now. For now. Like a bully, Musty? Yep. Feed my cat, give me back my money. Ask Michelle for your money back. You could wish you could sacrifice some goats. What about best camps? What about best camps? Um, Keeping me, I'm down for that. Yeah, absolutely right. So scalps are the, I just tiny scalps, honestly. Right, that's the play for now. Like little scalps, um, small scalps. Because nothing is really exploding yet. Like nothing at all. Right. So CYN is still flat. SOPA is still flat. BTTX is still flat. Right. Like nothing's really moving. The way we were used to. Right. So like what used to. It's gone, isn't it? Yeah, I took it off to take a look at red box, blue water. It was up 17%. What? Up 29 now? What happened? I mean, that thing just exploded on that candle there. Actually, yeah, it's gone. BWS still strong. Yeah, right. So took it off for a second to look at the other stock, and it went from 17 in one single candle all the way to 29%. Wow. It played with the emotions, hero. Yeah. When Big Daddy Power talking again. Not this week. Not that I'm aware of. I'll take a look, Diamond. I know some good important numbers come out this week. PLTR, Dan. Yeah. I mean that thing is sold up really nicely. I know you've been looking, right? So there's some really nice opportunities out there. Um, uh, some really nice long term opportunities. Really nice. Anyway, so Blue Water is 26% here. What did we talk about in terms of resistance here? I don't know if we have for, on the daily. Hi Tinder X. Hi webcams, best cams. Okay, yeah, there we go. So uh let me zoom in here a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So 480, right? So 480. We need to break above 480s here for blue water, right? So just because every time we try and go for a run, we're failing at the nine. Every time we're failing at the nine, we're failing at the nine and backing up. So if we can break above 480 and actually hold above that level, right? Five. You're looking for five there, Hugh? Yeah, why not, right? So just clear five. Just clear that level altogether. Um, if in this market you're gonna cancel your membership for best camps, best camps gators might be the only thing keeping you happy. Hello Nazreen. Yeah. So see if we can stay above something. I just want to see actually. Yeah. Might as well just break $5. Honestly, Hugh. Might as well just clear $5 there because there's a lot of resistance there. La la. Find me a sugar daddy. Find Michelle a sugar daddy. Best camps, please. Need monies to buy cat food? You have five cats, Trevor? Five? You have five cats? I'd be so scared, honestly. I don't know why, but I'd be scared. Um, um, yeah. Is getting volume, ITP? Yeah, that's the Zach Morris play, right? So Zach Morris is probably spamming that on Twitter, isn't he? ITP. Are you in that? Happy birthday? Like what did you get in that? What did you get in that? Have no opportunity. People that live in the abyss have more opportunity. Dustin, people that live in the abyss um, um, have a yeah dreadlocks now. I'm bored. Thanks to logic. No, again, you just have to with most of these plays, guys. Um, you know, like you just really have to come to an understanding that like every play you make is not gonna be you're not gonna make money. Like every time you trade, you're not gonna make monies, right? You won't make monies every time you trade, like not every time you trade, but the best thing you can do, especially for names like that are pumping because of hype, because of news, because of rubbish, right? You want to make sure you have a stop loss, a really a good stop loss, right? Something that you can afford to lose and say, you know what, yeah, I lost $2 today, I lost $50 today, I lost $100 today on that trade, but that was my target, right, for the downside, right? You can't just say, okay, well, I want to make money, so I want to get into this position, and all I'm looking at is how much money can I make, how much, and then forget about how much money you can lose, right? So, um, You have to look at both sides, and the downside is more important because cash is your most important position, right? That's how you find the next opportunity, the next and the next and the next, right? So, uh, time to become a proud owner of one full Bitcoin, buddy. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Bitcoin is going to zero, so we're all going to own one Bitcoin at zero. 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 Let's go D. D scalping a CON really CON? No, the other one. A SOPA really nicely. Enough messing around. Bounce already. Oh no, that thing is going to the abyss. Highs of the day. Ooh. Yeah, keep switching and something runs. It actually had a nice little push and then backed up. Hue. Um, CYN. Honestly, yeah. CYN just doesn't give up. So I happily say I lost Nick Hill. I happily say I lost $1,000 today. Yeah, happily. That's a lot of monies. A lot of monies. Double topping though, Martin. Yeah, right. So we really need to get going there. But we're double topping. We're still holding. We're still just going sideways for now, which is fine for me, Martin. So today is National Criminals Day. Yes, it is. Isn't that been like every day this last month, Musty? Tesla letting you down? Yeah, I mean it's not just Tesla though, right? It's the entire market. Alan, what you say? What you say? Anyways, Blue Water still looks okay here, actually. 30%. Wow. Is that BBIG? No. Uh, yep. Vixie. Vixie pumping, guys. UVXY. UVXY pumping as the S&P goes down. This is pumping, right? So if you want to short the market, and you don't want to like actually short, you just want to buy shares or you want to buy options. Stuff like this is what you look at, right? So when the market goes down, this thing says when Lambo, right? So in and out to cray cray, yeah, just chilling, or you going in and out on those puts, yeah, absolutely, right. So when the market is trending lower, right, you short all the little bounces, right, all the bounces. Like every bounce is a short when the market is in a downturn, right. So 400 incoming, yeah. CON just exploded. CON said, yeah, you know what, guys, you know what, yeah. So there you go. That's CON pumping it, right. So it's going to 450. Yeah, it's gone. Highs of the day, guys. Right, so CON is a beautiful stonk, very beautiful stonk. um there you go. And SPY is still setting off 40117, 40125, 40117, 4120, 4117, 4114. New lows, new lows, new lows. Just keep going, SPY. New lows, new lows. We broke below 401, guys, for SPY. I mean, like, SPY is going to the abyss. Um, Announces a short position on Twitter. They did. They're shorting Twitter. Huh. Why is it taking them so long, Pablo, to actually close that? I know it usually takes a few months to actually close a deal. Interesting. Like, is there a reason why what's the reasoning that it's not going to go through or what? Interesting. Looking for bounce at that level. If no, you're done today, Michelle. Yeah. I pray for 400 fake outs. Yeah. There we go. There we go, Spy. BTC is at 32.5. Yep. Bitcoin is going to the abyss too. So crypto is finished. Stonks are finished. What do we need? We need a vacation. We need a vacation, guys. We need a we need a break. We need a market break to get some long calls. Yeah, it's like close to 400. Yeah. And there's always safe moon. Always safe moon, guys. Time to join Kramer on the bridge. I mean, Kramer knew what was happening already. We need Nightfall Dan. Kramer knew what was happening. He said, you know what? take my shoes. Take my, I just need all I need is an underwear and a pair of shoes. Just one side of my my shoe. Uh, Ravi, $5. $5 there. Right, so $5 to break up of that 9-day moving average, and then maybe start pumping right for more. So I'm not sure if you're in it already. Um, Tell them I'm thrusting for money. You're thrusting for money, virus. Resistance of five. There you go, Dan. So, yeah, $5. And then seven. Okay, perfect. There you go. Yeah, and that thing has a lot of room to the upside. The only reason I say only like one level there, right around like again $495 there, whatever level that was, right, is because again that thing crashed, right. So your only level really is that nine, and then once you clear that level, there's a lot of room to the upside, right. So yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Like every single bounce is getting shorted. Every bounce, right back down. Every bounce, right back down. Every bounce, right to the abyss. And again, and again, and again. So, yep. No, 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 no. We wanted this rubbish to happen. We wanted this. We wanted this thing to sell off already before the Fed meeting last week. Just because it's coming, it has to happen, right. So just get it over with. But nope, we decided to pump into the Fed. We decided to pump to and hold for 415 and then pump to 428, right. Annoying. Yeah. Anyways, CYN is still a monster here, still looking really good. Today's 420. Peter, you lower the expectations, right. You lower the expectations from 430. Unbelievable. Also, we need money. Stay home and sleep in your bed, bunny. Yeah, just go back to bed, guys. That's what a lot of people are doing, honestly. People just, people don't want to watch the market when it's rubbish. People like excitement, it's pumping, right. So when the market is rubbish, people just go back to bed. Why is the market crashing, Remital? Well, because we have so many geopolitical issues, right? Again, Russia, Ukraine, inflation, right? COVID. There's so many issues, right, that the market is finally coming to terms with. Yeah, be realistic. We are short Twitter, all the cards. You see a risk that the Twitter deal gets priced lower. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Why would it? I don't know why that would even happen, Pablo. You're gonna start what, Hazy? Um, Arvin, I'm okay. How are you? How are you? How are you? Unbelievable. Um, Light is absolute rubbish. Why is the market crashing? Spy, what do we get? So we actually hit a new low on that candle, did we not? Yeah, we did. So we're just writing that moving average lower here, right? So lower and lower and lower. So yeah, hit a new low, 470 cents. Wow, and we're still selling off. And bounce. Yep. Um, Price per user. Interesting. Interesting. Hindenburg suspects that Twitter continues to overstate its true daily active users despite the revision. Okay. New York Fed longer term inflation expectation rose in April. So that's again more bad news, right? So longer term inflation rose in April. Uh, okay. So yeah, inflation expectation 6.3%. Uh, okay, interesting. Thank you very much, Pablo. Thank you. Right, so that's kind of the bad news we're looking for, right? So if these numbers keep increasing, right? If these numbers keep going up, uh, right, then clearly whatever the Fed is doing isn't working. So then the Fed might need to get more aggressive, and that implies more selling off, right? So yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at this, guys. We're headed for the abyss for new lows now. Halted down. Okay. Have we had anything halted up, Dan? Halted down twice now. Twice. BVXY still looks good there. Blue water still kind of hanging. BBIG red, just like everything else. CYN needs to get back over 450 there, not bad. SOPA, nothing. BTTX, nothing. Wow. 20K. Okay. Is anything going up? Every once in a while, VC. Every once in a while, something will pump. Uh, but then everything else is just. Yep. Welcome to the. Hmm. Welcome to the abyss. To the abyss. Has dropped almost. Amazon, yeah. Will it run before the split? Yeah, Icefish. Amazon will run at some point, right? Likely into the split, right? So a week into the split, something into the split, Amazon will run, right? So yeah, yeah. Spire needs to thrust back at this level. Yeah, like close to 400s. So again, support was at 405. We broke below that level. Your next level is 400, right? So psychological level support. So see if we can bounce. We keep trying to bounce off this level, which is a good thing for now, I guess. BTTX is trying, but anyways, yeah, we need to start bouncing off this level. You can see this is the fourth candle now that's trying to push here. So not bad at all, right? So um, yeah. HMT TV. Is it a scam? Uh, Let me see here. Uh, HMTV. Wait, what? What is this? You guys want to see what I'm looking at? What is this rubbish? Is it a scam? Why is this thing up 80%? So May the 9th, which is today, they reported something 41 minutes ago. This article came out to sell streaming platform Pantaya to television to Televisa, Univision shares rise. So it seems like throw a turkey at that one. And has agreed to sell a Spanish language streaming platform to okay cool for cash plus some Puerto Rican radio assets, including okay cool. Is expected to close second half of the year. Expected to Okay, cool. So they're selling some of their business, right? So um, interesting. You know what Spy is doing, guys? Hitting new lows. Hitting new lows. The float is 18 million. Around 18 million without any splits, right? 18 million. You're back holding a 760, Raymond. I'll take a look. I'll take a look at Sky H. Yeah, that's interesting. The thing about that though, must see, it's not really doing anything though. Like it's pumped and it's sitting flat. Yeah, it seems like so clean. It seems like they're not actually. It's not a buyout completely, right? So it seems like they're selling part of their business. That's what it sounds like to me, right? So when you look at the article, it doesn't seem like it's a buyout because there's no price target. There's no right. There's no like price for the thing, right? So seems like they yeah, now you're scared. Yeah, it seems like they're just selling some of the business, right? So um, not a complete buyout. um, that's what it seems like there. So to sell a streaming platform, yeah, there you go. Anyways, let me take a look at what do you Sky H, Raymond. Sky H. So you got in at what price? You got in at 760. Okay. 760 for Sky H. I mean, Sky H is a red today, just like everything else as well. Here, you bought at 760, so all the way up there on that nice fat red candle. Um, Hmm. It doesn't look the worst here. Yeah, Party got crushed. Okay, yeah, I think Marlo sold that a while ago. So he said. Anyway, so we seem to go forming a nice little double bottom, right, for Sky H here. So again, not the worst of levels, right? So we're kind of trying to hold around that range there, like right around like $6. $6 seems to be there seems to be some type of support around $6 here, right? So if we can stay above that level, that's a good sign. To go for the next run, then we're gonna need to break about 720 ish, right? 720 is 730. That's going to be a signal potentially for the next run. So again, support at 6 ish, right? Nice little double bottom there, W, right? So now we need to get back above 730 to get going. I'm leaving, and Arvin says my manager worked to fire me 2 weeks ago. I told him I'm leaving. He have full job offers. Now he wants to stay. Should I stay or ask him to suck it? Um, I don't know. It depends on a whole bunch of factors, right? So it's not that simple. Um, suck it always. Suck it always. Um, I mean, it depends. Like, what reason was? Why was he gonna fire you in the first place? Was it because Was it because? Uh, is it because of something you did? Is it because just not enough monies to spend? Um, I just applied to be a stripper position. Need money? Yeah, honestly, Peter. So, anyways, back to Spy. Spy is trying to hold the 400s here. Do we trust it though? I don't think anybody does. BTTX, okay, cool, not bad. CYN, still holding. SOPA, still holding. It's when you suck it. You guys all, you have some Shiba? You bought some Shiba now? On a spike then? AUSD? Hmm. Tesla's below 800s. Tesla's below 800s. Just get it to 7 already, Michelle. Get it to 7. Get it to 7, please and thank you. Please and thank you. You should stay back, wait for your time. Yep. And then ask for a raise. Must see. So I'm not sure. You might actually have to go to the company's website and see like what the terms of the deal is, right? Yeah, I don't think it's good. It's not going to stay at this price, but that's an aggressive gap up already, right? So, um, all these Raven, all these dips, not enough chips. Yeah, yep. I mean, the S&P is trying, like consistently trying to bounce up that $400 level, right? So, 400, yeah, it's trying, right? It needs to clear this 250 level here, Dan. Um, needs to SOPA needs to clear 260 as well. CON again still holding 250. So CS CEI. Oh, John had a question about. Sorry, John. I completely. John, what's the entry for CEI? CEI is CEI is what? CEI is yeah. John, let me know what your entry price is. Is looking to get delisted. Every stock is still getting volume. Okay, my $2 calls to have a chance. Yeah. Let me see here. CEI. S&P is looking to get delisted. Everything is looking to get delisted. Honestly, CEI is at 60. What is it? 69 cents. Man. Yep. Watch for 50, 65. Right. 65 is your next level support there, John. You want to buy the dip? Okay. Yeah. So 65 is 65 ish is your next level support, right? So we had a nice bounce of that level last time, right? Pump, right? 65 and pump. What did you miss, the Sam? You missed the abyss. Oh, you can't even see that yet. So there you go, right? So again, CEI. Now this is how you price in inflation, Roger. There you go. For BTTX. Okay, so you're green, right? You're green on that position there for now, Margaret. So, damn. Are you delayed, Margaret? Because that question, are you delayed? Like, is your stream live? Because I remember asking you like I don't know, like an hour ago. So again, yeah, CEI 65 cents, and then below that, well, you're looking for 50 cents. Finally had a double bottom, 299 for BBIG. Okay, that anti Kathy Woods ETF. Wow, there actually is Pablo an anti Kathy Woods ETF. SARK. I want to see. I want to see it. SARK. Wow. So the whole goal for this ETF is to short Kathy Woods. Wow, wow, wow. How can we oh yeah, thank you, clean. Thank you, clean. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's funny. Yeah. Wow. There's a Kathy Woods shorting ETF. Uh, yeah, yeah. Just the ARK. Yeah. Cool. Had no idea. Yeah, Tesla's on the 800s. Yeah. Again, look at the S&P though, right? S&P is sitting at the lows. Uh, so Tesla keeps selling off as long as the S&P keeps selling off here as well. No dips, just puts on everything. Yeah, guys. Again, every bounce is getting shorted, lower, lower, lower. So, um, yeah, I'm not buying any dips. I am not buying any dips. Just gambles to zero. To zero. No, 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 it's not 707. Okay, sounds good. I mean, the S&P keeps bouncing on this level, so we keep bouncing. The 1 year, yeah, okay, sounds good. So we go back. So. Wow. Wow. I mean, these guys said, you know what, guys? Look at this. You can't even see that yet. So this ETF, right? Kathy Woods, Inception, IPO $30. Uh, Now they're sitting at $70. I mean, they've done really well shorting Kathy Woods. Like Kathy Woods, who, where, when, anything, shorted. Wow, 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 wow. Market flatline. That's cool. That's amazing. You can just have whatever you want, whatever ETF you want. Short all the Cathy Wood stocks. I mean, it helps that the market is in a bear. It helps that we've been selling off for most of the year already, anyways. Right? It really helps. All right. So really, really helps. But yeah, anybody still giving us look at SPY, right? SPY is consistently bouncing off that level there, just around 470 ish, 400070. Yeah, I'll take a look at the USD. I know Dan mentioned that as on halted on halt since this market yeah, exactly, Obong, right? So yeah, if the market the trend is your friend, right? So short puts, right? So until things change, until we get back above 405 or something, right? So as long as we sit below 405, well, now we're in a brand new range between 405 and 400, right? So once we break below 400, now the range is different. Now 400 to a new level, lows, right? So um, yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Again, reminder, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member, the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat. So, um, anyway, so I think that's really interesting. Let me take a look at AUSD here now. Austin Gold, 14%. Okay, not bad. 15. Yeah, this thing IPO last week, so we looked at this thing quite a bit last week as well. Why? Because it exploded, right? So from the abyss all the way to 28 and right back down to the abyss, right? So it's trying now. Um, I'd like to feed the cats. Yeah, musty. Yeah, below $3. Oi, 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 oi. La, la. Spy on spice. Are we just in a little weird range there for spy? Yeah, we are, aren't we? Right, so it's like up, down, up, down. Right, so just a little tight range here, going sideways. Question for you guys in the chat though. Since you guys like Tesla, I know a lot of you guys like buying Tesla options, shares, whatever that is, right? So, what's a price you would like for Tesla to go to buy the dip? You say that's an absolute steal. What price is that for Tesla? Uh, yeah. Don't fight the Fed. Yeah. In his book, winning on Wall Street, which was up in 1970. Yeah. Don't fight the Fed. Yeah. Nice. Right. So, don't fight the market. Don't fight it. Go with it. Right. So, take the crumbs, the baby crumbs. 500, 500. Wow, 500s, 750. Okay. So 500s. That's three 500s already. Wow. I mean, the S&P would need to S&P would need to I mean like S&P would need to like really go like a lot are looking for 750 area. You've been hearing 750s. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, like I wouldn't mind 750 either, right? So whenever Pelosi buys 700s, yeah, right? So 700s, I think like that 7 to 750 is a nice range, right? 7 to 750. So that'd be really nice if we can get there. You bought the Tesla dip at last. You did 770 last time. You liked like 750. Yeah, lower than 750. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, everything for the rest of the year. Yeah, Pablo. Yep. Uh, hmm. Tesla dips. I can't watch anymore. I'll come back after a power hour. After power hour. After power hour. No, I don't know if we're gonna be here all day though. We'll see what happens at lunchtime. We'll decide at lunchtime, right? So and then go from there. SOPA is at 265 now. BTTX failed failed at resistance here at 250. So failed to break above and then sold above. We're just getting to know you. And then yeah, CYN is yeah, still holding up though. 420 is what you're looking for, Doug. Okay. 500s and 700s, 750s. 700s. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend, right? So every balance is getting shorted. So yeah, puts are working out really nicely, right? So if you're looking for brand new puts here, though, maybe just be a little bit patient here, right? So because we seem to be bottoming out here a little bit, so just give it some time, right? If we break below the 400 still, yeah, and then we're looking for new low. Um, Tomorrow low float IPO. Yeah, Dan. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. Yeah, we need something. Market wants action. Yeah, we need something, right? So look at this. Look at this rubbish. Anyways, let me take a look at the earnings calendar. Anyone looking to play any of these names here, guys? So earnings calendar here for today. So today we have AMC, Upstart at the close on core plug, Novavax, Clover, right? ATHAR, Blink, Lemonade. And then Peloton tomorrow morning. So these things in Workhorse, right? Village, some cannabis names as well. So anyone looking to play any of these names? Anyone? 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 ASESNS. Okay. $4, 3 million, 3 million. Okay. Sounds good, Dad. Yeah. We need something. Only bounce when the Fed bailed out the banks and gave billions. Remember that? I mean, yeah. 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 Drilling SOPA knee one that no. Yeah, no, these are sniper, just sniping SOPA, like just absolutely sniping SOPA. Yeah, good job, D. Sorry, no, yeah, no, good job, yeah. uh, D's gonna kill SOPA. He's gonna take all the money. He's gonna squeeze every single cent out of it. Um, AMC squeezing to where? Squeezing to where? To zero? Squeezing dry, baby. Uh, oh, there's no telling, honestly, Scooter. Like honestly, there's no telling. Right. Um, you've seen a lot of so for the MMAT dividend. I remember that thing started trading around what Scooter. That thing started trading around like what like it around like there were a lot of numbers around like between like $2 and $3, right? So there was also like $1, right? So that thing ran from $1 to $3, and that was the end of it. There really isn't any telling like what that thing could potentially come out at. um, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe Beard can give you some insights as well in terms of like a potential price target for that. But other than that, I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know. BTC lower and lower. Yeah, BTC just following the Nasdaq and just the rest of the market, right? So I mean, we're hitting new lows and lows and lows. That means Bitcoin, right? Just lows and lows and lows. Um, and preserve cash if you play. Yeah, exactly, right, Pablo? Yeah. So scalping is the best today. Like just tiny, tiny profits, right? Lock in these gains, quick, quick, quick. Yeah, quick, quick, quick. Look at that. New lows of the day. New lows is 35% from last month. Yep. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, SOPA? Yeah, 268. 268. What a day. What a way to start the Monday, guys. What a way to start the Monday. Let's just look at this. Like, we're just hitting new lows. On lows. On lows. On lows. So, AUSD. Yeah, AUSD is somewhere. 20%? Okay. 20%. Interesting. BBIG is at 298. Wow, down 10%. BBIG. A SPY 295. Oh, oh. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Well, we've waited and waited and waited for for this, and it's finally about to happen. SPY is finally about to break below 400s. Penny, I have it up there on the other screen. It's dipping now. It's 14%. It's dipping. That thing just went from 20% to 14%. AUST. 4 days, yeah. About to be delisted. Made a lot of money last year, John. Yeah. As I at the Carrefour and see a million more boxes. You're under the bridge, Diamond. Diamond is under the bridge, guys, and there are a lot of the card boxes are adding up every single day. So yeah, that's funny. Um, Spy 400s. Let me put a line across here just for psychological purposes here. Uh, there's Spy 400, right? So see if we crack below this level or if this is actually support. Um, yeah, love it, loving it, Spy, loving it. A bug says, let's go, Spy. Uh, stay above the floodline. The water's cold. Might as well just get it over with, Crystal. Might as well just get it over with, honestly. Might as well. Just send it to the abyss. Let me see. Where's Chris? Where's Chris with the VIX? Chris, monies. Might as well just get it over with. Here we go. Here we go. Is and did we break below it? Yeah, we broke below 400, guys. We broke below. Yep, 290, 399.94. We broke below and bounced. But we broke below. Uh, Alan says, "Opa." We broke below. Like we can test and hold our level, maybe, right? So, really important level here. Oh my goodness, AUSD just got destroyed. I mean, when I say destroyed, I mean this. I mean like slapped left to right. This thing was up 20% 3 candles ago. 20% 3 candles ago. Now it's up 6%. Let's go back to the S&P because S&P is dropping slower than that. So we're trying to hold that support. Hashtag Soko Gang, right? 400s. We broke below, but we're trying to hold it. So, oh no, it's getting sold off every single time too. So we're saying, well, at least our government is saying with their chest that they are creating a lot of jobs. Yeah, they find one like silly thing and just keep beating at the drum. It's like, okay, cool, okay, fine, we get it. Creating a lot of jobs. Fine, we believe you. We believe you. Look at this again, right? So, um, what a Monday! What a way to start the Monday! Wow. Oh, Bunk says, let's go. Here we go again. Again, another bounce of 400. So it's a movie. Get your popcorn. Oi. It's a caca. It's not even funny. Like, as much as we laugh about this stuff, it's not funny because this is very annoying. And there it is. We broke below. Again, new lows. Yeah, new lows, guys. Look at SPY go now. SPY setting it to the abyss. Uh, so puts and puts and puts, guys. Yep. Wow. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. It's taking a beating. Uh, Brown Pants Monday, SOPA to the moon, YG. Sure. Yeah, Spies going to zero. I mean, we're starting this week early. Like, there's no hesitation here today, right? No hesitation at all. Just send it. So I guess this is what we're doing now. Wow. Mm-mm. No, 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 no. Stock market crash. Yeah, we might as well just sell off, right? Give us 280, 380, 390. Give us something lower, anyways. Just get it over with, leading into the inflation numbers at the end of the week, right? And then yeah, we can maybe buy the dip. Just get it done. Extra Vaseline today, virus. I mean, like it's just $2. um, yeah, yeah. Do you have a lot of time on your S&P calls, virus? Or did you just get rid of them? And look at Spy here. Wow. No, 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 no. I get a. I like to like to look at who it is. Okay, 3 weeks. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so you have a little bit of time. A lot of things can change, right? We could be at 420 tomorrow. um, Might as well set a set, and I'd like to see if BBIG gets on that 230 again. Yep, Pablo. Unbelievable. Wow, AUST is only up 4% now, from 20% to 4% in 5 minutes. Yep, everybody's getting sent to the everybody. Let me see here. Like everything is getting sold off. Everything. You're gonna buy some more for June? Okay. Yeah. Peter, let me know when you're at the 400. Okay. Um, all fund managers got fired, so there's no institution trading today. No, there's these guys know exactly what they're doing. No, yeah, back above 400. Okay, cool. But then now we're hitting that that moving average, right? So that's really what we're failing against. Um, yeah, eat my shorts. Yeah, UVXY is on fire. Yes, it is, right? So I think we have UVXY on one of the screens here. One of the yeah, right. So UVXY looks really good there. It's really really good. So 11%. Yeah, just bought Peter's Tesla call for 50 cents. um, go to zero for all I care. You go to zero. Peter's given up. Um, go to zero. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Man. Attack in the US stock market. BBIG. You want to buy the dips, but you're like, this doesn't look like the end, does it? It just doesn't seem like the end. 30 yards. Mm. Mm. So she's a very nice lady. Nah, your dog says nah, I'm good. President, nah, I'm good. Nah, no dips. Nah, I really don't wanna. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait. Maybe some like some YOLOs once in a while, but I'm just gonna wait. Spy, that's a solid bounce actually. But that's just setting off another trap. Another trap. Mm. Another trap. 77. It's looking to break 32. Like 32, Peter. $32,000 Bitcoin. Yep. Yep. SOPA is doing really well actually. No. Pushed all the way to 77. 78. 79. Okay, cool. Not bad. Everything I made last week is gone. Is yeah. Yep. Shares trying to hang on. Like like the Fed last year, Mr. JC. Yeah. A downward thrust, isn't it? Downward thrust. How is sinking fast? Yeah, everything is yeah. You're down $2,600 on AMC, Peter. Wow, yeah. $2,600. Yeah, today's one of those days. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see where we are around lunchtime, and then we can just watch Spy go to the abyss in Discord. Um, unless you guys have. Yeah. So if you guys have any questions, please ask, guys. If you have any questions at all, please ask. Please ask. Right. So, and then we can talk about the earnings as well as we get closer to the end. In Discord as well, or if we want to come back for Power Hour or something like that, right? So, and see if the S&P can hold above 400. Don't think it will, but yeah. When will the bleeding stop? Welcome to the dog pool. Hold this bag. Yeah. Can we play Thrush just to listen? Listen, yeah, okay, sure. Let me get Thrust going, guys, because we haven't listened to that thing today. And maybe later. Let me get. How do we even have fun with Nightfall? Can we enjoy Nightfall when stuff isn't pumping? Maybe something's gonna pump today's though. Screw you, Streamlabs. Peter, you're making a lot of mistakes, aren't you? Brian, yeah, come on. Something needs to pump now. To the left, to the right. Come on, virus. Throw something. Bad days, not just the good days. I'll share with you guys my bad days. Yeah, absolutely, virus, right? To the left, to the right, and and thrust. Come on, and slide, and spin, and what? And thrust. Does Peter love me? When I was in high school, I had two favorite subjects: lunch and recess. Come on. Go, go. Look at Spy Pump, guys. To Nightfall. Spy says yes. Let's go. We're thrusting now. And thrust. Go, go. And thrust. To the left. And slide. To the right. Come on. Hands up in the air, even though you're losing. Celebrate my jam. Come on, dog. Today's is a rubbish day in the market, right? But you can't beat yourself up too much, please and thank you, right? So you have to celebrate somehow. Well, you have to smile somehow, right? So your health, your happiness is more important than the monies. Well, is it? I don't know. Anyways, come on and thrust to the left. Look at Spy Pump, guys. To the right and thrust to the left and thrust to the right and what? And thrust and what? And thrust and what? Come on, S&P. Give us a little thrust. Go, go. Go, go. See, all we needed was nightfall? I guess so, guys. We needed a little bit of nightfall. And thrust. Why were you seeing EP? I'm sorry, Peter. Let's go. We're off the screen, guys. Let's go, nightfall. So now that nightfall is over, please don't dip. Don't dip, don't dip, please. So there you go. So nightfall is over for now. We thrusted nicely on nightfall. Hopefully, more thrusting. More thrusting, please. BTTX is up. Not really. Well, it's up today though, right, Marshall? Or from like you're just joining, right? Okay, yeah. No, because we watched that thing go and fail, and then it's lower now. So look what you did. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, nightfall is over, and we're dipping now, anyways. Anyways, let me take a look at Let me take a look at. Can you believe? Can you believe AUSD was up 20%? Now it's red. Anyways, let me put that Sky H up here again. Did that thing break 7 yet? Yeah, I did. Nice. Very nice. Made on Thursday. You're happy? Okay, nice, Marshall. Yeah. The Sky H looks really good there. See if we can get from red to green here today. See if we get for Sky H. On BBIG? Okay. Now they're trying to say BBIG is worth less than $3. Honestly, Alan, don't know what to tell you. Come on. And still 4-1. 401. Peter. Jesus. Yeah. No, it's less about like it's less zealous of 1 cent. Um, 4170. Have we found the bottom now? 400? Have we found the bottom, guys? You guys want to spy below 400? It broke below 400. Now spy wants to go. Have we found the bottom? I think most of you guys would say no, but come on, spy. Come on, spy. Good morning, break. You're late to the party. What's the target for BBIG? BBIG sold off hard this morning because everything sold off, right? Everything. So see if we can get back about $3.30, yeah, and then go from there. Just reclaim one step at a time, right? $3 is your next step there, and then 3.30. Bitcoin to zero. Oh, I mean, we knew Bitcoin was going to zero. So So BBIG is now finally back above $3 here, right? Why? Because the market is pumping. So BBIG is clearly following the rest of the market, right? So Doge is 11 cents. 11 cents, guys. Wow. 11 cents. Oh, give us 8 cents. Yeah, you did. Oh, forward, Mr. Kwan. Nice, congrats. Good job. Come on, Spy. Let's go. Yeah, Spy needed a little bit of thrusting. A little bit of thrusting. If you're holding puts, I'm sorry. What's 0 divided by 0? Did they at $3? Yeah, you did. They sold up to two. BBIG sold up to 290. 290 break. So you missed it a little bit. uh, Peter says, "What's 0 divided by 0?" 8 ball. 8 ball says, "I'm multitasking, Peter. Leave me alone. I can listen, ignore, and forget at the same time." There you go. So we're going straight to 0. I feel like you guys are finally coming around to the idea that we're going to 0, and now might actually be the time where we turn around and send it. So, no, now might be the time where we turn around. Well, at least I hope we get a relief tomorrow. Or yeah, 0 divided by 0 is a spy. Yep. What if it wasn't for you guys and like just us like just having fun together, honestly, I feel like I'd set a target for spy at like three somethings and just go back to bed, just and just scalp like just little scalps on like these like consistent strong names, right? And then just leave it. Uh, wow, Michelle, 8 ball just roasted you. 8 ball, should I? Michelle says, should I quit for today? 8 ball says, I'm tired of you asking questions. I'm tired, Michelle. I'm tired of you asking questions. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It does not like you. I'm tired of you asking questions. That's pretty funny. So Spy hit what? Okay, 402. Yeah. 402 and then dips. I am tired of you asking questions. Please join Discord. I need you. Yo. I need you. Um, uh, let's see here. Uh, is rubbish today Blaze's fault? Um, um, then see 8 ball says no. Basically no. Basically no. No. um, oh yeah, there we go, Spy. There we go. Punishments. Yeah, she's scared, Peter. No, she lost, and so it's back. Sky H is actually back to green here, right? So back to green. Back to green. That's really nice, actually. So if you're holding Sky H, I'm sure you're really happy, right? So I know someone was in at 760, right? So I'm not sure who you are again. I can't remember, but yeah, looks good. Looks really good there. Back to green for the day. So maybe today can be some SPAC day, a little bit of SPAC day, maybe. Scared, skirts. CYN is still flat. BTTX is still flat. SOPA is still flat. Yeah, so it was ignoring me. Let me ask again. Uh, no, no. No. Yeah, so I fish Peter answered your question, right? So yeah, the top two are like UONE and CARV, right? So UONE CARV, and there's some cheaper ones as well. Yeah, twice a year. Na-na-na. Height index, the Big Mac index, is that where like you BTC the Big Mac index? What's that? What's the Big Mac index? Is that sponsored by McDonald's or? Yeah. Oh yeah, Raymond. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was Raymond. Yeah. So you're looking for $8. Okay, nice. Yeah. Hopefully you can stay green. Hopefully you can stay green then. Thanks. I'm in Carvey and we'll get you one once. Oh, your BBIG ice fish. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. I mean, just be careful though, right? Because they're basically the same sector as well. So just be a little bit cautious. Make sure you have a plan, right? Just in case they both decide to sell off. Right? You never know. Yeah, never know. Yeah, never know. I have spy puts. Yeah, you do. 390. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah. Again, for now, until we break above 405, like every single one of these runs is for buying puts, for shorting, right? So until we actually clear resistance. You're still asking for questions, Damon? Yeah. um, let's see in 10 minutes, Damon. All right. So every single one of these bounces is for shorting. Until we break above some type of resistance. You out for the day? Good luck out there. You are Hugh. I mean, if Hugh can say, you know what, guys, Hugh's a scalper. Hugh likes to do 100 scalps a day. So if Hugh says, you know what, this is not it, I'm out for the day. That's pretty. You know, the market is not it, right? So you know it's yeah. There you go. You know it's rubbish. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, be safe, guys. Be safe. Try not to force anything today, right? You're gonna have amazing opportunities in the future, right? So again, don't force anything today, please. Yeah, right. When the market is not moving in your favor, don't force it. If you want to go long, right, don't force it when it's going down, right? So, yeah. Uh, what does uh, what does that guy say? The can't remember his name now. It's not Jackie Chan. It's Jet Li. Is it Jet Li? No, I don't know if it's Jet Li. He says, be like the funeral dancing diamond. Yep. Be like water with the water. There goes Spy. So yeah. You are. What are you? You're still trading? You okay? Virus at the street corner. Swing by and spare some change. Let's go, guys. Um. Ooh, Spy. Spy. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. Okay. 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 Bruce Lee. Be like the water. Ignore Spy and bring all the investors our way, Alan. Yeah, well, maybe not right now because Spy's trying to go for a little run here. So, um, pump with it, please. Yeah, be like water was Bruce Lee. Okay, yeah, thank you. Price index. No, to measure the between the currency and no, it has of extended which. Okay, sounds good. BTC costing thing. No, okay, cool. BTTX. Yeah. In our case, grab some skis and I head down the right. There you go. So my wife saw the spy thrust going on for the first time today. She left the house and said she's good for the day. She left the house and said she's good for the day. She hasn't even seen it though. Like she hasn't. You need to show her like the good one. With Spider-Man thrusting, right? Um, he needs to show her the good one, be clean. That's really funny. Yep, I'm good for the day. Um, you know what? You can stay at home by yourself. This is what you're listening to. This is what you watch. Oh no. Well, I don't know what to tell you, clean. That's really funny. Wow. Um, stock market news. Anything new here in terms of the stock market, guys? Um, effort to take Twitter private and see if we can change the deal with coming close at a lower price. Uh, anything else? No, no news. No news. The first time I've had the stream on the living room TV. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. AMC's pushing. Alan, I'll be disappointed. Um, for with thrusting. um, is AMC actually pushing, Alan? When you say pushing, what do you mean? 5 cents? SOPA? Yeah, SOPA looks really nice there. It's not a push. Yeah, I don't want to look at AMC. Not right now. Not right now. No, no, no. Let's see here. Yeah, SOPA doesn't look too bad. I know these scalping that left over and over and over, right? So this one's been fairly consistent. It's not really pumping and dumping. It's just in a really tight range, up and down, up and down. So 5 cents is a lot in this market. Mm-mm. Not for EMC though. EMC has higher standards. That's why I had the bought Vaseline. Yeah, Virus is selling Vaseline in bulk. Virus, leave the corner, start selling some Vaseline. Um, OTC, okay. Is on reversal. Nice low float matter. Okay. When we say pumping for AMC, we have high expectations. High. So not the same. Na, 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 na. Let me see here. Browsing the news, CNBC, nothing on there. Today's the 9th. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Anything new on here? Nothing at all. Okay. U.S. markets. Not almost new lows. Blah blah blah. Sells off. Okay, cool. Americans are. European markets down 2.8%. Okay, cool. AMC is at the price you bought at last year, James. Yeah. C News Rumble. Okay. CFVI. Let me take a look here. CFVI. What's that? Sky H? Oh, Sky H is setting it nicely there too, isn't it? Yeah, not bad. Anyways, so CFVI, then Rumble. What's the news then? Do you know? Because it doesn't seem like it's reacting yet. It seems more of like an S&P follow bounce, right? So on scanner, okay, yeah. It just seems like an S&P bouncy as well. Good things to happen. What are you voting on, Christo? Oh, too much sideways at 272. Yeah, 272. A sexy move. Make me laugh at the shorts, please. Something, anything, Alan, anything. Right. So anything. ATR is almost green, Dan. Okay. Yeah, ATR is yeah, these guys report earnings again today, right? So they've done a really good job of holding $4. So I'm like really impressed with that, right? So like $4 has been a really good level for support on ATR here. It's been a really good level. Like we sold up today, but then held above like 4.2 for ATR here. So I like that. So if we can stay above this for ATR, I think that's really good. So yeah. Something maybe that. Oh yeah, but yeah, okay, sounds good. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, how to make AMC not give away steel popcorn? Okay, yeah. Mm. Really don't know what yeah, I don't know. AMC really could become a leader, though. Like they really could become a leader, right? So I mean, they're established already. Anyways, it's not like they're a brand new company. These guys have been selling they've been selling movies for a long time. They don't need to change anything on like their like they're going to the movies front, but they need a streaming something, right? Something. I mean, like go acquire somebody, like go acquire a little like tiny streaming service, right? So go acquire Fubo or something. Go acquire like yeah, acquire somebody, right? So and yeah. But I don't think it's that easy though, right? We say this all the time, but it's not that easy. It's not that easy, right? So it's not like they have rights to movies and this and this and this, right? So I bet you some of these movies like sell these rights to like would rather sell these rights to like Disney or like sell them to like Netflix, sell them to this, sell them to that, right? So it's not that easy. Redbox, yeah, Redbox would be a good buy. Yeah, Krista, right? Buy somebody and start going, right? So. Um, because you take a look at like in terms of movies now, who makes more monies, right? I mean these streaming services, right? They make a lot more monies. Why do you think Apple is doing streaming online now? Why do you think Apple's working on their own movies? Why do you think Amazon, right? Why do you think, I mean, like Amazon initially was just services, right? And now there's Amazon, there's movies, right? Why do you think Disney, why do you think every one of these like mega big companies or switching to like streaming movies, right? So if Apple switches to doing something, I mean, there's money's there, right? So why not do that, right? So uh, like I'm sure they've lost like a big part of their audience that doesn't want to like go to the movies anymore. Why? Because of COVID, right? So don't want to go to the movies. I just want to sit at home, right? So if I have a membership, I could watch movies and movies and movies, right? So every single day, would I want to go spend that all them like I want to drive to the movie theater and do this and do that? It's a complicated process, right? Just sit at home and watch a movie. You just walk to the couch, sit, watch a movie, right? Not like get in the car, get some popcorn, this and that. 20 steps versus 2 steps, right? So, um, but nope, they're trying to do bowling alleys in the movie theater. Like, what do you mean? Mm. Getting a spike, MDVL. Okay, what do I have up? So, MDVL. Ooh, that's a nice steady climb, actually, Dan. Nice, slow, steady climb all day long. Ah, interesting. And spy is still a spy. Mm-mm. Right, so everything below 405 is rubbish. Every spike below 405, absolute rubbish. Just a little trick, right? So now this the guys dancing on the top right hand corner or left on the screen, they match these candles now, right? So will prefer to go to the movies. Yeah, I mean, like, Marshall, yeah, I'm absolutely right, but like why not capture everybody, right? Like why not get everybody? um AMC has an audience. Like AMC has an audience. I really wish AMC used like the retail investors, like to better say, if you guys want to support us, this is the next step to our business, right? This is I mean, like millions and millions of people bought into AMC when AMC was running, right? So That's a good way to get your. That's a good way to get your. To get AMC, like a AMC streaming service off the ground, right? So do that, right? Do that. Tell retail investors when AMC is squeezing to $70, right? And people are excited, happy, or when people are talking about a squeeze, well, those people are willing to give you $8, $10 a month, right? Whatever it is, yeah, they're willing to give you that money. Yeah. The movies will curb inflation. The movies. Speaking of popcorn, I'm actually gonna have some popcorn today. Um, and I've been craving popcorn. Maybe it's because AMC earnings coming up. I've been craving popcorn, so I have some popcorn today in honor of AMC earnings later today. Philip Morris, okay, PM. Philip Morris, okay, very cool. Philip Morris. Philip Morris. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you haven't already, hit the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and there you go. So the movies. Na, 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 na. A question for you guys though, right? Question for you guys. And like, when was the last time? Like, when was the last time? I should really have AMC up here while we're talking about this rubbish. Like, when was the last time you went to the movies? Like, you actually went it to see the movies, right? So, like, when was the last time you went to see the movies? For me, it's been like 2 years. It's been popcorn, Crystal, popcorn. It's been a long time. It's been a damn long time. It's been like 2 years. Like since like COVID even yeah, like yeah, it's been a long time, right? Have I seen movies on Netflix though? Yeah. Have I seen movies on Amazon Prime though? Yeah, 4 years, Crystal. 4 years easily. Wow, 2012. Last time was 2012. Wow, wow. Dad, that's what you want? Okay, sounds good. Um, wow. 10 years ago, OPME, 10 years. I mean, you guys see what the issue is though, right? You guys see why all of these streaming services and they like all these guys are switching to streaming at home, right? Because as much as there's a crowd to go see the movies at like at the theater, there's a bigger crowd that doesn't want to go in there, right? So and COVID doesn't help. Um, it's nice to go once in a while, but like people only go once in a while. You don't have a business model that's once in a while, right? So um, yeah. Like, on average, even in like with like under regular circumstances, people only go to the movies like what, like once every 3 months to see a good movie. Was I think was still in business. Yeah, clean slate. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, cool. 10 years, 4 years, right? A long time ago, right? So, but question for you guys though: when was the last time you saw a movie at home or anywhere else? Like, when was the last time you saw a movie, right? So, like, when was the last time you saw a movie, whether that's at home or anywhere, right? So smoked after earnings beta, yeah, they got trashed. Share count would be share recount. What do you mean? Like share recount server? Spy. Spy. Come on, Spy. Yeah, you saw Doctor Strange this year. Yeah, 3 years. Wow, 3 years, right? So, Brahman to Joker. There you go. Let's go, David. Good morning. Let's go. That serve food and like, those places are great. Carlos, yeah, there you go. Full service. Yeah, those are nice. If we have one here, yeah, one, yeah. Look at Spy. Wow. Okay. Okay, Spy. We see you. We see you. A great place to take a nap. Everyone's quiet, and even though the movie's loud, it's usually so calming. Yeah. Michelle's depressed now. Why is Michelle depressed? Yeah. When to feel actually pure, I came home to know that from work late was the only thing I could think of. Yeah. Okay. That's funny. Spy is actually going for a nice little pump here. That's a nice fat green candle. Wow, 4-1 to 4-3. Wow, nice. Yeah, I know that. Um, with some popcorn. Yeah, actually do want popcorn now. But wow, spy. Interesting. Go baby, go. Come on, spy. Come on now. We want you to pump. Well, yeah. Don't do it. But it's trying. No, AMC should be bouncing with the S&P here now. Um, always have to what kids movies, Dan? Yeah. Kids movies actually, yeah, surprisingly, like some kids movies are really good, like really really good, um, like really good. Today is interesting. Kids movies. And take a look at Discord here quickly. Roger says hanging there. The weekend is almost here. Trying to trying to uh, uh Tesla up 14%. Nice, nice, Peter. Very nice. The show should be up to you. Uh, uh, Not if you're tired, yeah. M&M's or a good mix, yeah, they are. They are some chocolatiness, ice fish, yeah. Bitter says I have 24 tickers in my portfolio already. How many tickers you're holding? Wow. I never like to hold like more than three things. It just gets way too messy. 24 tickers in your portfolio, Beta. Wow, 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 wow. Nice, 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 nice. And if they made money with what kind of popcorn names is going to be releasing this time? Yeah, I think what is it called? Actually, we're gonna need to hop up at some point and then come back later for the AMC earnings call. We have to, right? So we're gonna have to come back for like power hour or like the last 30 minutes before the market closes, right? And then listen to the AMC conference call. So yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna have to come back at the end there. Unless you guys don't want to, unless you guys just want to do this in Discord. But if you're interested in coming back for Power Hour or like 30 minutes before the market closes for the AMC conference call, just type in yes. Type in yes. Type in yes in the chat if you're interested. Coming back. One is $30 AMC calls. Michelle, what did I do? What have I done? What have I done, Michelle? I've been nice to you. Nice, the nicest person ever. Nice. Okay, yeah, okay, sounds good. Let's come back then. Yeah. Food buying is getting expensive, Gary. It's getting really expensive, isn't it? Yeah, Michelle. Um, in the poor man in the poor house. Yeah, let's buy go. Wow, and see if we can get about 4 or 5. Right. So if not, we're just playing games here. Buy a hot chip instead. Yeah. No, again, at some point we're gonna be celebrating, guys. Right? It's just part of the cycle, right? It's part of the cycle. We sell off hard. I mean, think about COVID. Go back to when COVID happened. I mean, the market crashed hard and fast, right? And it was nonstop panicking. Why? Because there's really no hope, right? All over the news, the headlines were, well, there are no COVID vaccines. It's going to take about a year to get a COVID vaccine. It's one trouble. New highs. People are dying. Highs on highs, new cases, new cases, new cases, right? So, and then all of a sudden the market said, yeah, you know what, guys, this is not it. It's so a continuation of Friday, Brad, basically, right? Market said, you know what, today is not. That's the, yeah, you know what, yeah. And then all of a sudden we're sitting at new all-time highs with new cases, with you know issues with the vaccine, right? So we just go in cycles. Like, it seems like it's never ending, but then at some point we're gonna go back and pump and pump, 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 right? So uh, this could be a time to buy more or wait a little bit. I mean, it's it's a time to average the dollar cost average into things you like, Andres, right? So if you like a name, dollar buy slowly, dollar cost average, right? So and then go from there. Anyways, look at Spy go. Spy said, "Come on, let's go, let's go." Basically, Peter. Basically, up and down, up and down, up and down. Nah, nah. It's in the X. There you go, Spy. Uh oh. What do you want in the X? We don't have monies for you today. No monies. Mm, 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 mm. 250 again, Dan? Okay, yeah. 250 BTTX, yeah. 250, 248. CYN is at 416 now. Wow, CYN sold off. Did you see my coffee mug? No, you got a coffee mug? No way, you got a coffee mug? Where did you post it? How to make weed popcorn that will get you stoned? Wow. Oh, here. Where did you post it, Michelle? Hangouts? No, I didn't see a coffee mug. In Hangout? Oh, you posted a video? Okay, okay. I'll watch it. I'll watch it. Looks like what's new though? Yeah, virus. Right. So yeah, we'll get there. Spy is absolutely it's trying. I want to see this thing crack 4 or 5 though before I feel any type of hope. Is today gonna be one of those days where we go from red to green? 120 more shares of AMC at $13. Need for speed? Okay. 369. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, come on now. 405, 404. Vax is actually green. Okay. Yeah, no, some of these stocks are starting to recover now as well. Some of the stonks. Is PLTR a good buy, Bader? I mean, that thing's been so you know what I would recommend for you is take a look at that earnings report. It's sitting at a nice level to buy the dip, right? It's sitting at a really nice level, but take a look at that report and see why it dropped quite a bit. Maybe I can actually take a look here quickly. So PLTR here, they reported earnings. They're down 18%. That's a huge dip. Like that's a huge dip. It doesn't help, of course, that the market is selling up today. But why did it dip so much, right? So that's the question. And, anyway, so fresh. So these guys have right. Should give stock a boost. Okay, so they have these guys have contracts and contracts and contracts. So la la la. To 12 from 9. Okay, so they actually got a price target upgrade this morning, right? So from $9 to $12. So price target upgrade again. At some point, PLTR will start sending it. What I want to see. So again, Palantir second quarter sales guidance, first quarter profit miss, stock plunges. So Palantir downbeat revenue guidance after the data and software first quarter earnings missed Wall Street's estimates. The company anticipates 470 million in revenue during the June quarter, shy of the consensus of okay, cool, blah 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 blah. The stock plunged 20% pre-market. So there's a wide range of potential upside. Interesting here. So um, there is a wide range of potential upside of the sale outlook from developing online, but did not provide a specific detail. Okay, so they're saying, right? These guys actually saying the upside is quite large, right? The upside is quite large. And then the code continues. I mean, a lot of these contracting timing and events. Okay, cool. La 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 la. But it's also hard to predict. Okay, sounds good. Um, Jump 54% is not green by okay, surgeon not okay, cool. Margin fell, okay, cool. Interesting. I like when the CEO is positive, and that's just me though. Like I like when he's when like when you're optimistic. Right, Spy is still sending it. That's your favorite stock, Dan? Yeah, right. So I like when the outlook is good. Spy is absolutely sending it here. You know what? Let's take a look at the option chain here for PLTR, guys. So PLTR option chain here. So um, may start to average in. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, right. So I just want to see. So Spy is sending it here. Spy is bouncing, right? So I want to see what this option chain looks like here for, let's say, July 15th, right? So let's go to a little bit here now. See what the chain looks like here. Wait, $7, $8? Wow, 60%. Yeah, a lot of these things are really sold off. Wow, 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 wow. Struck a bus. Yo, yeah, I know, Dan. I know. You kept saying you're waiting, right? So, um, what if you go to like Jan 20? I'm surprised it ever got low, but yeah, exactly. So, I want to go to like January 2023 here. Look at the open interest for these $20 calls for Jan 2023, right? So, $20 calls. Wow, there's a lot of open interest here for on the chain, right? A lot of it, right? So interesting, really interesting. So 2023, 20 cents. Nah, nah, nah. Hmm, nah, not bad. But then what if you look at like November? I'm just looking at the chain here just for interest. 13 cents. Okay. November. November. What about September here? September. No. Wow. No. Yeah, these things have been destroyed, torched. Yeah. Oh well. Right. So that's just the market we're in now. So yeah, if you're interested, you can just just dollar cost average, right? Scale in slowly, and then see where it goes. Especially with like just overall uncertainty and the fact that they just missed earnings, right? So you might see that thing continue to sell off, but yeah, not bad at all. Nah, nah. What else can I look at here? What else? Nah. Me. Nah, 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 nah. Um, nah, nah, nah. Mm. Ding dong and nuts. That's what we should be looking at. Ding dong and nuts. Ding dong and nuts. Is that stuff actually moving, Peter? Ooh, interesting here. I want to see what this is. So AMC. Hmm. So apparently, right? So there's a little tweet here. I might need to go back and verify, right? So I want to take a look at the daily chart here. I want to see, right? So May the 9th for AMC, right? So AMC, no, okay. AMC here, May the 9th, because I know these guys had earnings last time as well. Uh, so 2021, right? 2021, 22, November, August. Can you guys see that? No, you can't even see it. My bad. My bad. So May the 9th AMC here last time. Yeah, so May the 9th. Interesting. It was just a weird tweet. Just a little tweet there. Something about how you go back to May the 9th, like the last earnings for AMC. That's really when the run started, right? So May 9th is when the run started for AMC here. So that's interesting. And then explosion, right? So earnings on May the 9th, that thing hit a low. And then after that, it was just nonstop up, 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 right? So, and that's when the squeeze came through. So that was last year. Last year? Yeah, that was last year. Yeah, so May 6th actually, but May 9th is what I'm looking for here. I think the market was, yeah, so yeah, whenever that was, right? The 6th. Yeah, explosion. So I think they're looking to hopefully replicate something like that again. So we'll see. We shall see. Na 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 na. Oi. SOPA is still not doing anything. CYN not doing anything either. Yeah. Already? Yeah. Ready for a run. Hundreds. La 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 la. Let's go, Ibs. Come on, AMC. You can do this. We believe in you. Well, we believe in retail. We believe in retail. We believe in FOMO. We believe in hype. We believe in yeah, just like every other stock, though, right? So, 15. Someone mentioned AMC. Yeah, yeah. Bill, we summoned you. No, we've been talking about AMC quite a bit today. Quite a bit. So, quite a bit. La 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 la. Quite a bit. Interesting. 16 today. Yeah, you're looking for $16. Well, S&P really isn't helping. So But maybe once the market is closed and these guys can give us some good earnings, maybe, right? So maybe. Also, like it's reopening, right? So AMC might actually benefit from that. So all of these stocks that have to benefit from like reopening, people getting back out there and travel and stuff like that, AMC might be considered one of those, right? So we saw like American Airlines. A lot of these airlines do well, right? So I know it's not the same, but it's like just people getting back out there, right? They might actually see some benefit from that, so which is cool. Which is cool. Three. Na, na, na. Uh, Interesting. And then SOPA lazy. What like? What's your question? What's your question? Like SOPA is just holding support. Lazy. Yeah, just holding support, right? At like 260. That's what it's been doing for the last hour or so. Not really doing anything. Na, 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 na. Let's see. La, 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 la. Is doing good. Yeah. Are you in a position? Anyone playing? Yeah, there are a lot of people holding AMC into earnings. A lot of people. So we're gonna have to hop off at some point and then come back for AMC. Yeah, what's with AMC? I know Emmanuel. Yeah, I know. What's up with AMC? I mean, AMC is not the only stock selling off, right? Like, take a look at the entire market, right? So most stocks are down what, like 40%, 30%, right, over the last month. It's not just AMC, um, right? So not just AMC, not just AMC. Mm, with much, I think we're going to end green today with how much volatility there is today. I mean, that would be amazing. I don't know if we can see that though, Henry. If we can crack above like 4 or 5 on the S&P, yeah, sure, maybe. Right, it's possible. But again, that 4 or 5 is a big level. If we fell below that, I think every single bounce is fake. Right, but once we clear that level, and then there's hope, a little bit of it. The chart, the option chain is bullish on EMC. Yeah, it always is though, Michelle. Like it always is. Um, always. And like you go all the way to $145 for AMC and it's still bullish, right? Because people still like, people know that it's possible that at any point, right? So what people do is they rotate like every single week, right? Every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, right? They rotate until like the next month, the next, like, just keep rotating, right? So yeah, yeah. Is BBIG doing good? The shorted, if we can hold above $3, right? So above $3, then yeah, maybe. So let's see here. I hate to see what happens in the collapse. They're calling it a correction. No, but it honestly is a correction. Yeah, it honestly is a correction. Let's see. One second. Mm, mm, um, let's see. bigger the dip, the bigger the bounce. Allegedly, allegedly. Hopefully, hopefully. Mm, mm. Oi, 1 second. Away from no, we're past that, Michelle. We're past it. Well, you need to, yeah, you might need to, yeah. um, what? Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe, all the things, all the things, all the things. Slacker. Interesting. Uh, Interesting. Unless you 99, yeah, might just need to refresh your what what's that? You might just need to refresh, Michelle. Might just need to refresh your screen, your thing. Might just need to refresh. No, 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 no. Here we go. Already, guys. Already, guys. What do you guys want to do? Leave it here for now. Leave it here for now. Hang out in Discord and then come back for the close and then AMC. It needs to come on Lucid does. Yeah. I mean, like, talk about discounts, damn it. What a painful day so far, John. Yeah. 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 Okay. Let's do it. So again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. And we're gonna be talking stonks in Discord. So if you're not a member yet, the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat there. Um, yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Start. Yeah. Right. So I'll schedule a stream right now. I'm thinking like 30 minutes before the close, as close to the close as possible. Um, Smash it, Noir. Let's go. Right. So as close to the close as possible, and then we can come back for yeah. Thank you, Damien. Thank you. Spy C1 spies at 420. Imagine spy at 420. Hopefully BBIG recovers some of these losses. Yeah, go into play in the mud puddles and have a good day. Ice fish, play in the mud, please. It's yeah. So thank you guys very much. Have a don't do anything risky, please. Be safe. Sit on your hands or sit on your hands. No gambling, please. Well, unless you want to. Before the expo on Friday. Okay, wow, yeah. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Alrighty, bye guys. Bye Damien. See you soon. Bye Star. Bye Noir. Bye Peter. Bye Michelle. We better be before the we better be on for next week. Too late, Gary. Yup, too late. Too late. Too late. Be safe, Dan. Thank you very much. Be safe. Nap time, Robert. Get a nap. John. Yeah. Um, Michelle. Gators. See you soon. Henry. See you soon. Emmanuel. See you soon. Lazy. See you soon. See you guys. See you, Bill. See Crystal. See you guys for the close. No, Mr. Kwan, come join us in Discord. So the link is pinned at the top there. So if you do join Discord, before you go, oh yeah, smash the like before you go. And yeah, if you do join Discord after the stream, see you, Nikhil. Send me an email at the top there, and I'll send you an invite to join us in Discord. So see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Bye, all.